Hello everyone, good morning. And as per the agenda, we are here. We are here for the weekend learning session. Okay, we are going to start the Linux basics or Linux administration activities in the today's session. Are you guys ready? Yes or no, please?
Yes, we can.
Right? You all are came here for learning the Linux administration activities, primarily for the DevOps engineer, because we my intention and your intentions are same. I want to make a DevOps engineer to you. You want to become a DevOps or cloud engineer. That's why we all are here. Cool. And guys, as you are aware that we are from the Cloud DevOps Hub community. How many people are already aware about this thing? Yes, no?
Yes.
One. What about others? Only one person knows? Yeah, Venkatesh, Naveen, Vinay, Adarsh. Cool. Looks good.
Sir, what was the question?
The question is, what is Cloud DevOps Hub? From where I am? Why we are here? We are from the community where 50,000 members are in our Facebook group. Guys, the number is very big, right? 53,000 like you, the cloud engineer, DevOps engineers are in my Facebook group. 7,000 members are in our Instagram. 8,000 members are in our WhatsApp community. I feel you all are coming from the WhatsApp community. You get a message into the WhatsApp. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Right? You
Yes.
all are already in my WhatsApp community. 1,000 plus subscribers in my YouTube channel. If you will go here, if you will ask with me, sir, from where I will get all these links, you have to go to only single place. You have to go to my website, CloudDevOpsHub.com. In this website, you will get all the details. I'm just passing this link into your chat, okay, so that you can have a look and you can bookmark this. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, just click here in the homepage only. You can join my WhatsApp community. If you are already there, so no need to join. Okay. If you want to see my YouTube channel, you can just click here. You will reach out to my YouTube channel. Here is my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, if you will see here, 81 videos are there. 1,400 subscribers are already there. 81 videos of 2 to 3 hours are there. Means very long journey is there. From the last 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, I am uploading all the videos into this channel. Cool. Now, if you will ask that, sir, I want to come in your Facebook community, you are feel free. You are most welcome. You can come to my WhatsApp community, Instagram, anywhere. From where I will get all these links, you can just click on this place, join our community. If you will click here, the link tree will be open. My Instagram, my Facebook, my LinkedIn, my YouTube, my WhatsApp, all the links are here. Our website link is available here. WhatsApp community link is here. Facebook community, which has 54,000 members, are here. If you will click here, you will see the group, DevOps Engineer group will be open. And in this group, 54,000 members are already here, like you. Excited? You will become a part of the big community. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, cool. And as well as how to become a DevOps engineer, here is the day-wise syllabus is available here. I will open in some couple of minutes. Okay, no need to worry. Here is the link which you have joined. This is the 8 a.m. regular batch, Monday to Friday. On the same way, we are learning the big syllabus, the big journey. Okay, this is just a small part of our learning. Okay, the big journey is still pending, 2.5 month journey. Okay, that link, if you want, you can just click here and you can come to my 8 a.m. morning batch as well, regular batch as well. Definitely you guys will search us on the Google. We are already providing all the Google ratings and reviews. Okay, if you will click here, all the Google reviews, if you will search it here, all the related to the Google, whatever the Google is telling us, it will give the information. Our rating 4.9, our address, I'm available in Indore as well as in the Bangalore location, both the places. My work location is in Bangalore. Okay. And as well as our website, all the details are here, or YouTube channel, and so many details are available on the Google itself. Okay. So I'm providing all the details into the single place, plus lot of things, what our student get, how much offers they get, how much placement happen, what happened to my previous batches. All the information is available on the YouTube channel. I want you to see these videos. If you will see these videos, you will be very excited that how freshers are getting 20 lakh package, how experienced people, how much cost they are getting. All the information is available on the videos. It is straightforward available into the YouTube channel. I'm giving you this link. You are feel free. to check whatever you want. Some videos are very old as well, 1 year old, 1 year old, 1 year old. If it's 1.9 also it's showing 1 year old, suddenly it will become 2 years old. Okay, so all the videos are available into this place as well. Cool. Let's come here. Let's come to the agenda. Okay, this is just a small introduction about us. Is that fine? Yes, no?
No, sir.
Okay. If anyone in this group who are not in any of the community, please scan this barcode and you can join our community. It will be very helpful for you. You will get a lot of information related to the referrals, lot of jobs related information, some new articles. You will definitely learn related to the cloud and DevOps in this community. Okay, cool. Why, if you, the question is coming in your mind, why we are creating this community, why we are combining everyone into the social media? Definitely this question is coming in your mind. Yes or no? If yes, I do have the answer, because we want you to learn in a group. If you face a problem, answer will be solved. Question, if you face a problem, the question or the problem will be solved if you will learn into the group. If you are alone, if you face any of the problem, how you will resolve it? You will not get the answer. You will leave the topic and you will say that this topic is not good. You are not able to understand. You are not able to clear your doubts. Are you agree with my point? Yes, no? Guys, I need an answer from you.
Yes. I agree, sir.
Right? We must have to learn into the group. We are creating a small groups. Where is that a small group? If you will see here, this is my WhatsApp. We do have lots of small groups. The students are facing the problem. We are helping each other. Okay. If you will see here, some student has posted some message. Okay. Some problem. Okay. When I'm trying to establish the connection between master and slave Linux machine, I'm facing this problem. The students are facing the problem because they are doing the practicals. We are helping us to resolve the issue. So that's why this small community or group is required. When everyone has the same intention. See, let us assume student is facing the problem, unable to connect to the RDS through my EC2 instance. Students are helping that allow 3306 port. If the port is not allowed, the things will not work and the issue got resolved. So I want you to learn into the group, or it will be helpful for you. If you face a problem, you will see the competition. If someone will get a job, you will get encouraged. Agree with my point? Yes or no? Right? So be learning into a small group where you will get a encouragement, motivation, and your problem will be got solved. Alone, you can't achieve the things as per your desired goal. And alone, if you're going into the wrong direction, you will not get to know that you are going into the wrong direction. Sir, what is wrong direction? If you will come to my website, okay, if you will come to my website, in the website, this is the homepage of my website. In the homepage, if you will click here, syllabus and the current batch, we are providing the path which you have to follow. If you will follow this path, you will definitely become a cloud and DevOps engineer for sure. What is this path? Just click into this link and you will be landed into one Excel sheet. What is this Excel sheet? In this Excel sheet, all the day-wise information of the syllabus is available. What you have to learn into the day 1, what you have to learn into the day 2, day 3, first module, second module, small module-wise learning is there. If you will follow all these things, you will definitely become a DevOps engineer. And you have to definitely do the practicals. Theory will not be helpful. Theory will be only helpful for you to give 30% theory is enough. To go into the interview, theory is okay. But when you real time, you will give the scenario based question. You have to give the answer. Then this type of practicals, if you will perform it, it will be very helpful. You can see in this syllabus, there are so many practicals are there. Practical 18, practical 19, practical 20, practical 21. So many practicals on the different topics.
Huh?
Yeah, Venkatesh. Okay. So there are so many practicals, different topics we have to learn to become a DevOps engineer. I will go through in the deeply in some couple of minutes, but first we have to follow our agenda. Why we all are came here? We all are came here to become a DevOps engineer, and this is the poster. I hope you have already seen it. Yes or no? Yes or no? Means this is our agenda.
Yes.
Very first 15 minutes. Okay. We will start our journey with a small quiz. In this quiz, if you are aware about this much thing, you are very good to get the 5 to 10 lakh package. Okay. Means if you are, let us assume I'm arranging a 10 questions. In 10 questions, if you are able to give the answer of 10 questions, you are good to get the 5 to 10 lakh package. If you are not able to do it, definitely we have to learn it. Okay. And after that, I will give you one small presentation about me and all my information. Then we will do the practicals. I'm feeling that we will play the quiz, and in the quiz itself, whatever the questions are coming, based on the question, we will do the practical. Are you agree with my point? Right? Because only asking the question is not a good way. Giving the answer, explaining the answer, these questions belong to the certification level as well. Okay. So in parallelly, you are preparing for the job. In parallelly, you are preparing for the competitive exam as well. Good idea, right? Yes or no? Are you agree with my point?
Yes, because we are agreeing with you.
Right. Let's go ahead and start the quiz. Okay. So I want you all to bring your mobile phone and we can start the quiz so that we can make more interactive session. And guys, if you want to invite your friends in between, please invite it right away, because after starting the quiz, he will be little bit lagging. So if you want to invite, please invite your friends as well. Post this message into the group, any of your groups, so that they can also join it. Is that fine?
Sir.
Okay, cool. So I'm opening a quiz. Where exactly the quiz is? Quiz is available here. Okay. The quiz which we are playing today, as per the agenda, is for the Linux level 1 quiz we are planning. And in the today's agenda, we are planning for the 2 quiz. The first quiz we are planning for the Linux level 1. Okay. What is the today's date? 3rd September. So I'm just bringing the 3rd September quiz. 10 questions are enough. I think 10 questions are enough, right? With practicals. I'm giving the quiz link. I'm enabling the leaderboard. I'm enabling the chat board, and I'm starting the quiz. Okay. I'm just starting the quiz, and there is a barcode in your screen. Just scan this barcode. As soon as you will scan this barcode, I'm able to see the participants into this link, as well as I'm giving you this link into the chat window as well, so that you can join it. At this point, around 62 members of 62 students are there. I want at least 55 members should join in this quiz. Go ahead, please. One student already joined, Santosh. Very good, super fast. What about others? Yes, Vikas also came, Prithvi, Ujjwal, 4 students came. Go ahead, guys. Just scan this barcode from any of the scanner, Paytm or anywhere, whatever you want. Okay. There is a lens application. Sometimes some camera also enabled to scan this barcode. I can see 11 students has joined. I want around 55 students should join so that we can be interactive and we can play the quiz. "28 students joined. Looks good. I want some more, please. Around 34 students has joined. Well and great. Guys, if you're facing any of the problem, please let me know. You can directly click on this link, which I already given into the chat. Please click on that link and you will able to join it. 34 students has joined. Well and good. I'm giving just a 1 minute time for you all to join and be very quick. Okay. I'm just bringing the clock just for the 1 minute. Okay. I want you to be available in the 1 minute to play the quiz. 64 students are there. 34 students are already joined. If anyone facing any problem, please let me know. I don't think so, because 36 students has already joined. So there is no problem at all. Just scan this barcode and join the quiz. In the next 40 seconds, we are going to start playing the quiz on the Linux topic. "37, guys, the count is very less. Be fast. We will select the winner as well. Anyone facing any problem? No, right? Only 39. One more, please. At least 40. One more, please. One more student. At least, yeah, 40 count is came. Guys, we are starting and I'm bringing the very first question on your screen. 40 students has joined. Here is the list of this 40 students and I'm bringing the very first question on your mobile screen. In the next 4 seconds, the question is on your screen. Please go ahead and check it. What is operating system? Very first, very basic question. What is operating system? You have 15 seconds left. Please give the answer. What is operating system? Guys, both the points related to operating system are correct. Let me explain you what exactly the operating system with the help of image. Okay. I hope my screen is very clearly visible to you guys. Right? You are able to see my screen?
Yes, Vikas, we are able to see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone is using the operating system at this point because if you are connected with laptop, if you are using the mobile phone, in the mobile phone also there is the operating system. In the laptop also we have the operating system. What exactly the operating system is? It's a system software. Why I'm calling it a system software? Because this is the middleware between the hardware and the application. When I'm talking about the hardware, what is hardware? What is hardware? Guys, what is hardware?
Whatever we are able to physical touch, that comes into hardware.
Physical touch, that's okay. But in terms of computer, if I will see here, CPU, memory, disk, internet, ethernet, Wi-Fi connection, GPU, and so many things, this all call as a hardware. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? In terms of computer, in terms of technology, these are the hardware in my laptop. This hardware is connected with some system application and some applications are running over that. Where the applications are running? If you will see the processes, application is running Zoom. What is Zoom? Zoom is the application. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Zoom is the application?
Yes.
This Zoom application is consuming CPU, memory, disk, and internet, and so many details. This Zoom application consuming the hardware with the help of operating system. So operating system is a middle application or middle software that allow the application to connect to the hardware. That is called operating system. Got it? With the help of user connect to the application and application can connect to the hardware with the help of middle software, that is operating system. Agree? This is in the third year in the computer science, third semester, we will learn this topic. Okay. Operating system is most important software. It's run on a computer. It manages the computer memory, CPU, process, hardware. Because if you will see our task manager, which application is consuming how much it has to be go. If it's go beyond to that, what to do, what happened, this all thing has to be managed by the operating system. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, chalo. Let's bring the second question. Who given the correct answer? Let's see it. Deepak Kumar has given the answer very quickly. Very good, Deepak. Keep it up. Okay. I'm bringing the next question. If some new members join, guys, here is the link, and the number is showing. The code number is showing into the window. Okay, in my screen. Please join this quiz with this quiz code and be a part of our participant. Okay. I'm bringing the next question on your screen. Guys, be very active. Second question in 1 second. Which operating system came first? What is the first operating system out of this 4 link? $15 seconds are left. Be fast. Quicker person will come into the leaderboard. Okay. You have to give the answer quickly and correct answer. 2 seconds are left. And most of the students, 17 students are telling Unix came first and 12 students are telling Linux came first. But the correct answer is Out of this four, Unix operating system came first. Can anyone give a little bit brief about Unix? Little bit brief. 1 or 2 lines is also fine. What is Unix? I'm telling I'm teaching Linux, but why? How come the Unix came into the picture? Can you give the answer? Guys, give the answer, please. If you don't know the answer, it's not helpful.
Sir, Unix is the first operating system came into the market, and after
Okay.
that Linux is come.
Agree.
And Unix is a command line based interface.
Okay.
So we have to operate anything. We have to give command to that operating system.
Okay, I agree. But still some technical points are missing.
Yes, I know, sir.
Because see, if you will give this much answer in the interview, he will consider you as a fresher only. He will not give 25 lakh package or 15 lakh package. Correct?
Yes, sir. Actually, I am.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Chalo, let's read it. Okay. Let's get the information. Unix is a multitask, multi-level or multi-user operating system. Even Linux is also that. Okay. But Unix is not free of cost. Unix is a chargeable license version operating system. Unix came first and it has been developed in 1969, around 60 years back. Guys, 60 years back, this operating system came into the picture. Not 60, at least 50 years back, this operating system came into the picture. It has been developed by Ken Thompson into the 8080 Bell Labs. Is that okay? You get at least 2 lines of the answer about the Unix? Yes or no? Guys, switch on the camera, please. It will be more interactive. Are you agree with my point? Unix is a widely used into the servers, into the workstation, as well as it's a very similar to the Linux as well. From the idea of Unix, the Linux has been developed. Unix was completely developed into the lab and it's a chargeable. It has a license. Means if you want to use the Unix, you must have to purchase the license. But from the idea of Unix, the Linux came into the picture and Linux became the open source. It's again multitasking, multi-user operating system developed in 1991. But if you don't know the Linux, still Linux is 30-year-old. Are you agree with my point? It has been developed by the Linus Torvalds, is a person who developed the operating system Linux in 1991. Got my point? Yes or no? Yes or no, please?
Yes.
Yes, because
As the Linux came into the picture, let's discuss about the Linux also. Linux is an open source community developed operating system. What do you mean by open source? Can anyone give the answer here? Open source. What do you mean by open source?
available.
Source code is available.
Freely available. Free to
Source
use.
code is available. Correct. Source code is available, freely available. Where freely available? Where?
Internet.
Internet. If you will give the answer, internet is correct, but not 100% accurate.
Publicly available means publicly access modification.
Publicly accessible, that's fine. But where? Where? But where? Where the code has been saved?
In official site.
No. It is available into the GitHub. Guys, have you heard about the tool name or soft application name GitHub?
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yes.
If you know about it, well and good. Guys, here is the place in this link. Okay. Guys, mute yourself. Shasing, mute yourself. Whoever is not talking, please mute yourself. Okay. I'm just opening. Linux is an open source community developed operating system. Open source means the code itself is available over the internet, over the application or over the website GitHub. GitHub is a tool or application where all the code has been saved, has been managed on the software GitHub. GitHub is a DevOps tool. Okay. When I'm coming here in this repo, the repo name itself is telling awesome OS, means so many different operating systems are available. Have you heard about the name 9front, ECOS, AROS, Bron OS? This guys, this all are the operating system. This all are the operating system. Okay, which one we are looking? Let's come down. This all are the operating system. In the popular operating system, we are looking the Linux kernel operating system. Yes or no? Means there are so many open source, publicly available operating systems are available, and Linux is also one of the flavor. Correct? Are you agree? Yes or no?
Sir, you said Linux was started in 1991, right, sir?
Correct. Correct.
GitHub, when it was started?
GitHub before that, definitely. Okay. See, it's not like that Linux code has been written in 1991. When the GitHub came, the Linux code has been put into the GitHub. Is that okay? Now you are satisfied?
Okay, got it. GitHub started before Linux itself.
I will show you. Okay. No need to every information. I will prove that whatever I'm telling, I will prove in my screen. Okay. I'm just opening this link. As soon as I click on this link, I'm giving you this link also where all the operating systems are available. I hope you get my message where all these operating systems are available. Here you have to come down and you have to click on the Linux. And as soon as you will come here, this is the place or this is the location where the Linux code is available. Clear? Okay. When I'm telling it's an open source, it's available on the GitHub. Community developed. What do you mean by community developed? It has been developed by multiple people or multiple community. Where is the community? Here is the contributors where 14,450 users has created this operating system. Guys, see here, I'm not telling from anything from my side. I'm just reading it. 14,450 developers has written the code of this Linux operating system. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In which language the Linux operating system code has been written? In which language?
C.
Can you prove it? How come C? Prove me.
Because the C language uses the concept of pointer and memory, and this operating system needs calculation with the memory. That's why it is written in C.
Okay. Can you prove it where it has been mentioned that it's written into the C language?
It's on the screen, languages. Under
Yes,
language.
languages. 98%.
Correct. See here, just read it. In the languages, 98% C language, 0.8% assembly language, 0.4% shell language, and some other language has been combined. But 98.2% is the C language has been used to return the code of Linux operating system. Okay. Let's go here. Someone has asked that I can prove that it is actively maintaining this code because 7 hours ago, someone has did the change into this folder. Are you agree? Yes or no? If you will come down, this file has been changed 4 years ago. This file has been changed 5 years ago. Means 5 years ago, code is also maintained from the GitHub. Only 5 years. Let's see some more things. Let's go here in the contributor list. Okay, 14,000. This developers has written the code of Linux. From 2005 onwards, it is maintaining on the GitHub. Now you got the answer. In 2005 onwards, the code of the Linux has been maintained into the software GitHub.
Before that, where we need
for that it was maintaining in the C, in the Notepad++ like that. Okay, because see, from the DevOps came 10 years back, right?
Yes,
but DevOps become very popular 5 years back. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But this is a DevOps tool. Okay, 2005 onwards, I can prove. I can't say anything from my side. I want to prove the thing. If I will say something, I have to prove it, right? I am proving that in 2005 onwards, the code of the Linux has been maintained by this into this place. If someone will ask the question, sir, in 2005, what has been written? I can prove that also because GitHub is providing that capability. This is a person Tawai.
Sir, but GitHub launch.
Check it over the internet when the GitHub launch. Definitely before 2005 only.
It's 2008.
Okay, but see, it's not officially version has been came, but the code is maintaining from 2005. It is showing here. Correct? Yes or no? I'm not telling anything from my side. I'm just seeing the screen and I'm telling what has been came in 2005. I can show that also. Okay. I'm going to the first person Tivai. In this Tivai, he is telling that whatever he is written. Okay, let's verify something. Okay. He written, this person Tawai 7,422 times he did the changes into the Linux code. What all changes? We can just click here. Okay. And this person in 2023, 29 August 23, whatever has been changed here, we can see here that this person has removed this line. Whatever is coming in the red, this has been removed. Whatever is coming in the plus, it has been added. Simple. We don't have to go into the coding. We just have to understand the concept. This thing happened 5 days ago. Okay. Means this Tawai person is active at this point, and he is active from 2004 to 2023. Means from the last 23 years or 20 years, he is writing the Linux code. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? It is telling by the GitHub. Okay. We can see all the things. Let's see some more points related to the Linux. Okay. Linux is a computer software, computer operating system. It is used into the servers. It is used into the computer. It is used into the mainframes. It is used into the mobile phones as well. It is using into the embedded system as well. It supports almost all the major platform of the Intel of the ARM processor as well. This is a very basic or high level of the Linux. Are you agree? Yes or no? Guys, yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Can I bring my next question? Okay. Guys, whoever is the new, I'm giving you the link again. Go into this link and go this code and join the quiz, please. Okay. I'm bringing the next question. Till now, Deepak is giving the correct answer. Both the answer has been given correctly by Deepak. Harshita also correct. Jagdish also correct. And so many students, your names are coming, whoever is giving the answers. The trick to give the answer correctly or quickly, if you have a knowledge, you will able to give the correct answer, but give the answer quickly so that your name will also be visible into this screen. Okay. Next question on your screen, be active, please. In that 4 seconds, the question on your screen. Which is the most popular operating system? Simplest question. First, Unix, Linux, Windows, or Alpine? Venkatesh, I don't need an answer into the chat box. Give the answer here. If you know the answer, your name should come here. 5 more seconds. Be fast. Give the answer. "14 students are telling Linux is very popular, but some 12 students are telling Windows." Okay, chalo, let's prove it. Okay. But the correct answer is Linux. Out of this 5 operating system, Linux is the most popular, usable into the servers in your company, into the real time. When you will go to any of the company, in your company also, you will see all the softwares or applications are running on the Linux operating system. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Deepak is telling no. Deepak, defense with me. Why you are telling no? Chalo, let me explain.
Because it's majorly used in servers only right now.
Correct. Yes. So my question is also most popular operating system.
In the popular basis, we can say that most of the users belongs to the Windows.
I'm not telling number of users more. I'm not asking that where the number of users are more.
But the popularity will be defined on the same thing, I think.
No, see, popularity is defined on the
Exactly.
features. Popularity will be defined on the features. Okay.
No, features is there in Windows also. There's feature.
No, Windows is not very popular. Okay, I can prove that. Chalo, let's see. Okay.
Actually, it is a more popular in the point of desktop operating system.
Correct. It's a popular into the desktop operating system. Without licensing, we Indians are using it. Right? If Windows will ask the license to purchase from us also, we will not use it. Correct? Yes or no? Are you agree? Chalo, let me bring some more points. Then we will decide that which is the most popular operating system. Okay. Now I want to give the answer why Linux is popular. First thing, it's freely available. It is, you don't have to purchase any license. You don't have to purchase anything to use it. Directly download it and use it. That's why the Linux become very popular. The code of Linux is also available into the market. Open source, you are feel free to download the code. Where is the code? here is the code of Linux operating system. Okay. If you are a non-technical, can anyone be a technical person and tell me how to download this code? Technical person. How to download this code?
Just go to that code point and download as zip file.
Download as a zip file. Okay. Who is this person?
Yeah, myself, Kazi.
Kazi, you are not a technical person. I can prove that.
Just go through that GitHub and just right side code option is there. Just clone this repo.
Okay, git clone, we can also do that.
And just
Yes,
pull
we
the
have
all
to
code.
use, if we are a technical person, we have to run the git clone command. With the help of git clone command, the code will be downloaded in our local machine. Okay, that is a good approach. Let me show you, because if I'm telling something, I have to definitely show or prove that. I'm going to one folder test. In this test folder, I'm just creating a new folder. Okay, what is the today's date? What is the today's date? Today's date is 3rd of September, 3rd SEP. I'm creating a one folder here. I'm going inside a folder. At this point, this folder is completely empty. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? It's empty. I'm bringing one tool. The tool name is Git. Okay. What is Git? I need a very high level answer. What is Git? What is Git?
It's a version control
It's a
system.
source
Vika.
code management tool.
It's a version control system, version control tool or source code management system. Okay. Both are correct. What I'm doing it now, I'm downloading the code. How to download the code? Give me the
Clone.
command.
By using git clone.
Correct.
Git clone repository link.
Correct. Git clone. I'm running this command git clone, and what we have to put it, we have to provide this repo link. Okay. I'm copying the link and I'm just opening my folder as well. I'm opening this tool and I'm providing the URL. And as soon as I will press enter, the code will get started downloading in my machine. Linux folder has been created and the code is downloading in my machine. Got it? This is how technical person is downloading the code. Non-tech person will go here and you can just click on the zip folder. It will get downloaded, but it's not a good approach. If you will give this answer into the interview will say, okay, we will get back to you. Thank you. Agree? Yes or no?
What is the difference between that?
Difference
Same thing,
between,
no, sir?
see,
Yeah.
difference is, it's a downloading means it will download the zip file. You can't do the operations in it. Tracking will be failed. Means here, what is the tracking? What is the benefit? Here, 14,000 members, what changes he did? It all maintains all these things, right? If you will download this way, that all information will also come. And tracking will be easy by this software, Git. Because Git has to maintain all this information, correct? If tomorrow you are doing any changes into the code,
It will maintain all the commits, sir.
someone has to maintain it. This Git tool will maintain. If you will download as a zip file, the information will not get maintained. If the information will not get maintained, means the information related to the code is outdated, or we will not get to know that what person did what changes. So this is the approach which we have to follow. Got it? Now, let's assume the code has been downloaded. At this point, 15% has been downloaded. If the code has been 100% downloaded, what is the next step? How you become a cloud or DevOps engineer? Now the question is.
No, we can initiate as a git init. Then we need to check the tracking files. If any want to do modifications.
If you are developing the code from your local machine, then git init will be required. If you are downloading someone else's code, git init is not required.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to run very first time, if you are creating the code, then the git init will be required. Okay. If you are downloading someone else's code, git init is not required. Okay.
Public repo means we're not required in Git initialization.
Correct.
It's
Public
private repo, then obviously
Correct.
Git init work.
Correct. Okay. No, if you want to develop the code in your local machine, then git init will be required. Okay. Guys, we don't want to discuss Git. Git is not a today's topic. Today's topic is Linux. Be into the topic. Okay. Okay. Now, this code is downloaded in my machine. Okay. And lot of people who know the coding, okay, what they did the changes into the code and they created their own operating system, and this many operating system has been created. You can do the changes if you know the coding. I don't want you to do the coding. Okay. If anyone knows, developers knows the coding, they did the changes and they created this many operating systems. Got it? How this many operating system has been created? Someone downloaded the code, he did the changes, he created some new features and pushed again into the GitHub and told that this is my new operating system. Agree? Yes or no? Are yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, acceptable.
Yes. Cool. Let's bring the next question. Okay. Linux. Yeah. Okay. Something was still pending. Okay. Freely available. First point. That's why it's very popular. Open source. That's why it's very popular. The reason of highly popularity is secure. As compared to any other operating system, Linux is very, very secure. Okay. Definitely, if you will compare with Windows, Linux is very, very secure as compared to the Windows. And the biggest point is stability and performance. The performance of Linux operating system is very, very good as compared to any other operating system or as compared to Windows, definitely very, very good. Why I'm talking stability and performance? If you will see my machine, okay, if you will see my machine, I'm consuming 14 GB of RAM. As I'm using Windows, right? I'm consuming 14 GB of RAM and 50% of my CPU, which is 4 gigahertz CPU. Okay, right? If I will use all these applications in a Linux operating system, I can achieve all these things with the help of 4 GB RAM also. 4 GB RAM and 1 core CPU is enough if I will use the Linux operating system. The performance of Linux is very, very good as compared to Windows. Got my point? In your company, you will see that 4 GB RAM, the application is running. What we can say, web application is running. My website is running. This website is running on 1 GB RAM. In 1 GB RAM of Windows, anything will run. Windows itself will not come.
It's impossible.
It's impossible. Windows itself will not come. Application will come later on, right? Right? Same thing here. The performance of Windows is very good as compared to other operating system. That's why it's become very, very popular and uses by the company. Because see, if we will purchase a heavy hardware, we have to give a heavily rent to someone, right? To hosting a website, if it will charge 1 lakh rupees, people will not host a website. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Nice example, sir. Thank you.
Right? If my website will run very slow in the Windows, people will not use Windows because website is the requirement. Application, they have to use it. If it's run very slow, people will not use the operating system Windows. That's why the Linux is very popular in your company. 90% cases, Linux is usable in your servers. So we have to learn the Linux. That's must. Agree? Yes or no? All agree
Yes.
at this point? I'm bringing the next question on your screen. Okay. The next question, guys, whoever joined late, you can go into this link and this is the code. Okay. The link is already into your chat window. And guys, someone else can also paste the link into the chat window. This is the link. This is the code. Just click on this link and click on code. You will be able to join the quiz. I'm bringing the next question. Now the Pramod came into the top. Ansari, Faizan, Fatim came, Vikram came, and Deepak came on the 4th number. Fine, no problem. Guys, be ready. In the next 5 seconds, the question is on your screen. How many ways we can create a Linux virtual machine? How many possible ways we can create a Linux machine? "15-second pending. Be fast to give the answer. 5 seconds left. Be fast, be fast. Okay. Most of the students are telling all the above. Okay. I also agree. Yes, we can create the Linux operating system or Linux virtual machine, because if you came here, the next you will tell that, sir, we are happy with the Linux. Now teach me how to create a Linux machine. Yes or no? This question will come in your mind. Are you agree? Yes or no? Be active, be interactive.
Yes.
Yeah,
Right.
acceptable, Vikas.
Acceptable? Yes. Then I'm bringing my PPT again on the screen and I will show you how to create the Linux machine. There are so many ways available into the market. Okay. First approach, very highly usable real-time approach. Go to any of the cloud provider, GCP, AWS, Azure, any of the cloud provider, and create a virtual machine with the operating system Linux. Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas.
Right? With the help of only 5 clicks. If you will run the 5 click, your machine will be ready and you can prepare for the Linux. Can you give me 2-minute time and 5 clicks? I will create a Linux machine. If you will tell GCP, I will create on GCP. If you will tell AWS, I will create on AWS. Can I create it, or you are already aware about it? Because yesterday also we created.
Can you create
Yeah,
it?
we are aware about it, Vikas.
You are aware? How
Yes,
many
yes.
people need it? Just raise the hand. If anyone want to create it, if 5% will tell that, sir, create in front of us, I will create. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, chalo. 5 people are telling, let me create. Okay, I will not take more than 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to AWS. Okay, and I'm creating a Linux machine in front of you. Okay, I'm going to my AWS account. Where is my AWS account? I'm just closing this unnecessary tabs. I'm just closing this. Okay, I'm just closing this, not useful. I'm closing this, and I'm just bringing this here. Okay, I'm just closing this. This is my AWS account. Okay, in this my AWS account, let me re-log in. Okay, I have to re-log in because yesterday I logged in. After that, I haven't. Homepage is coming. I just click on the sign in. As soon as I will click on the sign in, I will be landed into the AWS. Okay, in the AWS, if I want to create a virtual machine, I have to go into the EC2 place. What is EC2? Give me the answer, please. What is EC2?
Server or instance.
Elastic compute.
Elastic compute. Elastic means it can be
Cloud
increased or
compute.
decreased. Compute means CPU and memory on the cloud. So I'm creating a virtual machine in the cloud with the help of EC2 service of AWS. I'm going into this place, and here, if you will see here, this is my home page. In the home page, at this point, no instance or no virtual machine is running. What I have to do it, I have to click on this place. I'm doing the first click, launch instance. Okay, I did my first click, and it is asking some information. I need someone's name. Please give me your name so that I can create a machine of your name. Someone's name, please. Unmute and tell me the name.
Venkatesh.
I confused. Which name? One more again.
Yash Kumar Dubey.
Yash Kumar Dubey. Chalo. Yash Kumar, YESH Dubey, DUBEY. I'm creating a machine with the name Yash Dubey. Okay. Second click, I did it on the name type. Okay. I'm not doing any changes. At this point, I'm creating a 1 CPU and 1 GB RAM machine. Okay. Which is freely available with the help of AWS.
Because a small suggestion,
ahead.
keep it like a demo. The session will go as like a funny session.
See, it's okay, but see, my intention is not to teach you how to create a virtual machine, right? My intention is how to create a Linux machine. That's it. Agree?
Yeah, agreed.
Because see, virtual machine, if I will go, I have to explain you all these functionalities, and that is my separate day. You can come to my tomorrow. I will just give you 1 second. You can come to my tomorrow 8 AM class. That is the virtual machine class. Okay. In that virtual machine class, we will discuss about the virtual machine. Okay. So my tomorrow 8 AM IST, how you can come, guys, whoever is interested to learn the virtual machine, you can come to my website, and here is the link. Monday to Friday, regular batch 8 AM. You can just click here. You can just fill this form, and you will be landed into the regular class. Okay. I'm giving you this link into the chat window. Okay. So that you can have a look into that part as well. You just have to come into this place, and you will get all the information. Where is the syllabus? Where is other record, old videos? Okay. Because if you will see here, virtual machine creation is a day 30. Till day 29, what we did, some information are already available on the YouTube. You can go here and you can see here in the day 1, what we have learned, in the day 2, what we have learned. All the links are available here. So I'm just passing this link into the chat window. You can have a look. Clear? Because today I don't want to teach you how to create a virtual machine. I'm very high level. I'm showing you. Okay. So I'm just taking as a without key pair. I want to keep it very simple. Okay. I did the third click here, and I'm coming down. I'm allowing the traffic. I'm allowing the internet. Okay. In this machine, And as soon as I will come down, I'm just clicking on the launch instance. I'm did the 5th click. As soon as I do the 5th click, it will take 20 seconds and my machine will be ready. The machine is successfully created. If I'm coming back here at this point, it is in pending. I told 20 seconds. It will take 20 to 30 seconds and my machine will be in the running state. So if you want to learn the best approach, create a Linux machine into any of the cloud provider, log in into the Linux machine. At this point, it is running. You can just select the machine. You can click on connect and you will be landed into the Linux machine and you can learn the Linux. Agree? Very first approach. Yes or no? A very practical approach, real-time approach. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone agree with my point? Okay. Chalo, let's
Yes,
start. Okay. This is the thing which I told. You can go to GCP, you can go to AWS, you can go to Azure. All are very same because your intention is to learn the Linux. You can go to any of the place and you can create it. Now, sir, I don't have the AWS account. I don't have the GCP account. I don't have the Azure account. How can I create it? How can I use it? I will teach you everything. No need to worry. But as you came here, I am giving you one tool. That tool name is MobileStream. Basic level of Linux you can learn in your Windows operating system as well. Anyone heard about the tool MobileStream in this group? Guys, you can raise your hand down, please.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is MobileStream? Can anyone give me the answer? Good. What is MobileStream? If you know it.
It's terminal.
Give the answer because in the interview, yes is not always the helpful. You have to defend him. Anyone else who want to help Shravan? What is MobileStream?
It's a terminal, to connect with the GCP instance.
It's a terminal. Okay. It's not only a terminal. Chalo, let me open it. Okay. I'm telling it's a full X server. It support SSH. It support RDP. It support SSH, Telnet, RLogin, MOS, X1 formatting, SFTP browser, password management, plugin, and so many different things are possible in the free version of MobileStream software. In short, if you want to connect to any of the Linux terminal, okay, with the help of this terminal or with the help of this software, you can connect it to the any of the Linux machine. I'm just downloading this software. I'm giving you this link to you all. You can also download in this machine. It's not required to install. Just download, open it. It will work. That's it. Okay. I'm giving you this link. Just open in your screen. Okay. And you just have to download the portable edition. Okay. I'm just clicking on the portable edition. It is downloading in my machine. Okay. It will take 1 minute. I want you to also do the same activity so that we will run in your machine itself. Guys, whoever has downloaded this software MobileStream, please let me know. I will give you the access to you so that we will see in your machine it is running or not. It doesn't matter office laptop everywhere because it doesn't require installation. It directly install and use it. It directly just download, unzip and use it. That's it. Anyone downloaded this software?
No, sir.
Let's download. Why it's very slow? This look like very slow. No problem. I want to give a time to you as well. If it's downloaded in any of the machine, in your machine, please let me know. We will download. I will give access to you. You can share the screen. 5 seconds, 4 seconds. How come something wrong happened? Okay, now the software has been downloaded. Okay, done something. Yeah, it has been downloaded. I'm going to my downloads folder. As soon as it will be downloaded, it will be in the downloads folder. Okay, this is the software which has been downloaded. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah, I agree, Vikas.
28 MB software. Okay, what I'm doing it, I'm just unzipping it. You can use any of the unzipping software. I'm using 7-zip and I'm just extracting it. As soon as I will extract it, one more folder has been created and it has been extracted. Till now, all good? I just extracted that mobile stream software. That's it. Yes, no.
Fine, sir.
Can I go ahead now? Can I do some more thing? It has been extracted. Now I'm just double click on this. As soon as I will double click on it, one terminal will be open in my screen. One terminal has been open. In this terminal, it's look like this. Anyone able to achieve till this place? Just double click on this place. You will see this type of screen in your machine. Yes, no. Yes, no.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If you are able to reach into this place, just make the full screen. You want to see the Linux into the light theme or dark theme. Most of the people will be into the dark theme, developer's choice. I just make as a dark choice so that it will become a black screen. And I just click on the start local terminal. As soon as I click on the start local terminal, some local terminal has been started. Okay. Now tell me any of the basic Linux command. Any basic Linux command.
mkdir.
mkdir ls. Okay. I'm just typing ls. What will happen with the ls command?
List the direct. List of.
It will list the directory into the current location. What is the current location? Home mobile stream. I'm just running the ls. In this, there are 4 files are there. Means my basic Linux command are running. Yes or no? pwd. What is the present working directory? Home mobile stream. My basic Linux commands are running. Are you agree with my point? Yes, no?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Means if you don't have any cloud account, no need to worry. You can just download this software, run a local terminal, and at least start learning some basic Linux commands. I will teach you some basic Linux commands also, but you can start your Linux with the help of only this approach. Simplest
Small
approach.
question, sir.
Go ahead.
We can install Docker here.
We can install, but I don't want to teach Docker.
Casually asking, can
Yes,
install
yes.
Docker containers there?
Yes,
It's
yes.
work, sir.
Yes, yes. Vinay, how much is your experience?
6 months, sir.
6 months. Don't go with the Docker. Okay. No need to worry. Okay. Go with the first clear your roots clearly. Okay. Make your roots strong. Then go into that other tool. Okay. Is that fine? Okay. Yeah. See, with the help of local approach, this is the simplest approach. You can run the local terminal. You can learn basics of Linux here. Possible. Okay. Chalo. Let's go to the some other thing. Okay. One approach, cloud approach. We can go and create a cloud machine. We can use the local terminal. Now, another approach, which Vinay was telling, that Docker, right? Chalo, let's go to the Docker itself. Okay. I have all the solution. I'm asking the playground. What do you mean by playground? What do you mean by playground?
Where we can practice the commands and the things that the system itself providing.
Give the simplest answer. English answer only. What is playground? Where we can play, we can leave the things like that also, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to the playground of Docker. Docker is providing a playground to us where we can learn the Linux also free of cost. So what I'm doing it, I'm just going into this link. Okay. I'm going into this link. I will give you this link also. No need to worry. Okay. I'm going here. Earlier we created the Linux machine. How many clicks I did?
5.
5 click, right? Chalo. Okay. Now I'm going into this link, labs.playwithdocker.com, and I'm coming here. I'm clicking here, start. As soon as I will click on start, something has been opened for me. Okay. Something has been opened for me. I'm giving this link. Someone is asking the link into the chat window. I given this link. Now, earlier, how many clicks required to create a virtual machine? 5 click, right?
Now it's required 1 click.
Now it's required 1 click. Yes. Okay. Just 1 click here. Just 1 click here. Add new instance. At this point, no instance are there. No sessions is running. I'm just clicking here one time and my Linux machine is ready. Docker is also installed. It's ready as a playground. Now run whatever the Linux command you want to run, you want to play, you can play into this place as well. ls, yes, it is working. pwd, yes, it is working. Whatever the Linux command you can run. No need to install anything in the local machine. You can go to the browser, you can go to the Docker playground, and you can learn the Linux from here as well. Good, simple, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so you will not complain me that, sir, where is the environment? I was not able to practice. I was not able to create the environment here. And it's a Docker playground. Akshay is still asking, can we pull the Docker image? Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Here is the place. Okay, complete infra is ready. You can just one click. At this point, one machine is there. Do you need one more machine? Say yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And I'm
Yes.
just clicking here, add new instance, and it will take 1 or 2 seconds, and my machine is ready. One more machine ready. One more click, one more machine will be ready. 3 click, 3 machines ready. So virtual machine creation is tough.
No.
No.
Not
No.
at all.
It will
No.
absorb too much RAM in our Windows. Any issues?
Buddy, it's on the cloud. How come it will consume your memory CPU? Why you are worried about memory CPU? It's on the browser. It's on the internet. Docker will take care. This website will take care. CPU
Previous
memory.
one. Previous one.
No need to worry. It's a very light software. No need to worry for memory CPU.
Okay.
Okay. No need to worry at
So
all.
it is for only 4 hours for one session, right?
Are, just close it and again start it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Like with incognito mode, it will start from zero itself.
Correct. No need to worry. See, after 4 hours also, nothing will happen. Okay. You can just click here, add new instance, and enjoy your session. Okay.
So
Before I just click.
whatever the codes will not be lost, right? After 4 hours.
What we are learning Linux. Linux commands are here.
Means we can use this for learning purpose only, right?
Obviously, it's a playground.
Okay.
Okay, it's a playground. You can't create a home in the playground. No. Okay. You can't create a.
Can you pull the Docker image here?
Whatever you want, you can do everything.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Sir,
This is a.
Sorry for disturbing you, sir.
Go ahead.
In mobile stream, we need to practice only Linux, sir.
In mobile stream, you can do so many things. You can create, where is that? You can do SSH, you can do Telnet, you can do RSH, you can do XDMS, RDP, VNC, FTP, SFTP. These all things you can do if you have a knowledge.
We can practice Ansible there.
See, Ansible is another tool. Why you want to do in the here?
No, I'm asking, it's a
answer is
virtual
wrong.
machine, right?
No, it's not a virtual machine. It's a terminal. It's
Okay,
not a
okay.
virtual machine.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Got it now.
Please. Okay. You can do all these things, but if you have a knowledge, you can do it. If you don't have knowledge, whatever I'm telling, just follow the same thing. Here also, it's a Docker playground. If you know the Docker, you can learn the Docker, you can play with the Docker, you can create application, you can create container, image, whatever you want. But if you don't know, you can't do anything. Okay.
Okay. You can create containers, clusters also.
Everything. Okay.
Okay.
Everything.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. If you don't want to
Super,
do
sir.
all these things, you can learn the Linux here first. Okay. Cool. So let's go down. Another approach, which is a outdated, but still some companies are using, with the help of hypervisor, we can create the Linux machine. Is that okay? You can install some Oracle, ORACLE, Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay. And you can create multiple operating systems or multiple virtual machines like this, which I have created. In the tomorrow morning class, we have a virtual machine class. We will start with the virtual machine, and I will teach you how to create all these things, how to do all these things in the tomorrow class. Okay. Because today is just a Linux introduction. So I don't want to go into the virtual machine more. Now your dilemma will be fine that, sir, how to create a Linux machine? You are good. If someone will ask you the question, how to create a Linux machine, are you able to give all these answers? Yes.
Yes, we can. No, yes, we can give these answers.
Physical version.
Okay, fine. Now, can I bring the next question on your screen? Okay. At this point, I can see Vikram is on the top. I want someone new person also should come. Guys, make a competition. Okay. Fifth question on your screen. If someone is a newly joined into this, you can just come into this link, okay, joins.quizhub.dev app, and the code is available here, 728702. I'm just bringing the next question on your screen. Or anyone has any question? Anyone has any question regarding this?
So one thing, just instead of using Mobax stream, we can use Windows terminal also for the Git bash. Like we can use Git bash for the Linux instance.
Yeah, you can. Okay, Git bash is also possible. Let me show you. BSH Git bash is also giving the Linux terminal. Okay, we can install the Git software in the local machine, and we can run the Linux command here also. ls, okay, mkdir, pwd, whatever the Linux command you can run into this place as well. So in this last 10 minutes question, last 10 minutes, we discussed 5 to 6 approaches, right? How to create a Linux machine. Yes or no? Means there should not a blocker for you how to run the Linux command, where to run the Linux command. Now you have lot of answers for that. Cool? Everyone agree? Anyone want to add any of the point? Feel free to add. Or otherwise, I am bringing the next question on your screen. Silence means I have to go into the next question. Guys, the next question on your screen. Be active, please. In the next 4 seconds, the question on your screen. How much time or money will be required to create any of the website or any of the web-based application? The options are here. Guys, 5 seconds. Be very fast to give the answer, please. Most of the students are telling 5 minutes freely we can create any of the application over the cloud with the help of DevOps tools. Yes, it is possible. Guys, the time is running very fast. It doesn't require 1 week. It doesn't require 2 weeks, 20,000. No, you can create any of the web-based application in the 5 minutes itself. Can I prove it? Can I prove this? Or anyone, 25 students has given this answer.
Yes, yes.
In the chat window.
Yeah, you can prove.
Yes, sir.
I will prove.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you can prove that.
I will prove definitely. But some student who given the answer into the chat box, Akshay, can you prove that because you given the answer into the chat box? Akshay, Venkatesh.
For back-end code, it will take too much time, right, sir?
Okay. But see, I'm telling this person, whoever is giving the answer into the chat window, they are not giving the answers. None of the Akshay name is in the list. Akshay, Venkatesh, why your names are not here? If you know the answer, your name should be here, not into the chat box. Guys, give the answer in your mobile phone, not in this chat box. It will never be helpful. If you will be here, your names will be here. Okay? Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Give the
Yes.
answer on your mobile phone, not in this chat window, please. Okay. Chalo. Now what I'm doing it, I'm proving that in the 5 minutes, I will create a web-based application. Okay. But only primary thing is required. Only if you have a knowledge, then only you can create it. If you don't have the knowledge, you can't create it. Okay. Chalo. My agenda, I would like to give a scenario-based question to you. Okay, we will discuss with the scenario because in the real time, we have to go with the scenario. My scenario is, we have a website. I am giving a requirement to you. You have to create a website, CloudDevOpsHub.com. Okay, like this is a website. You have to create a website like this. And I'm telling I can create this type of website in 5 minutes. Chalo, let's prove it. Okay, I'm going here. Okay. Before going all these places, let me close some unnecessary tabs. Okay, it's confusing. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's discuss some more thing. If we have to create any of the website, what all things will be required? Can you guys point-to-point answers to me? What all things will be required to create any of the website? Think and give me the answers.
Front end and back end.
Domain name.
Domain name,
Domain.
correct. DNS, the short form of the domain name is domain name server. Okay, cool. What else?
Infrastructure. Operating
Host.
Host,
Operating
system,
system.
host, virtual machine, and inside the virtual machine, operating system will be required.
Operating system, that is.
Yes. What
Web
else?
server.
Web server will be required.
Sir, virtual machine, operating system, web server, that is enough to create. These three
Okay.
should be 3 and 4.
Okay, which web server path we have to choose it? There are so many web
Nginx.
servers are available into the
Apache.
market.
Like free web
Nginx.
servers have free HTML, CSS, or maybe we can take
I'm talking about
Nginx.
web server. I'm talking about
Apache.
web server. Yes,
Apache,
You can
HTTPS.
use Tomcat.
Apache.
You can use Tomcat also.
Tomcat is a
Business.
Tomcat
Nginx,
is a
sir,
app
Tomcat.
server. One by one,
Nginx.
one by one.
Sir, you can take Tomcat server. That is
Tomcat, I can take Tomcat also. Okay.
yes.
But I want to take Nginx. Why I want to take Nginx? Because this is the most popular web server available at this point into the market, and in your company in the future this will be get used. This is outdated at this point. Okay. Apache Tomcat was 5 years back, people are using it. Now people are moving into the Nginx because this is not only.
நீதான் உருட்டி நிக்கிறியா?
Please mute yourself. Okay, please mute yourself. Nginx is using into the future, because if you don't know anything about Nginx, you can go to the google.com, okay, and just type what is Nginx, you will get the answer. Nginx is a web server that can be used as a reverse proxy, that can be work as a load balancer, it can work as a mail proxy, it can work as a HTTP caches, and it's a most popular web server available at this point. Okay, so I will create with the help of Nginx. Okay, chalo, what else things will be required? What else? Is this enough? No, some more things will be required to create any of the website.
So we have to set the path for the Nginx server
Development.
to the
Okay,
It's a
means
database.
configuration, right?
configuration. To open the port is where
Correct.
we have to
Very
deploy.
good point. We have to open the port 80. If you want to create a web application, port 80 will be required. Cool. What else?
Development code.
Database.
Development code will be required. Okay, we need to take the help from the developers.
Code.
HTML code, CSS, or some designing or some coding will be required. Correct. Looks good. Who will write the code? Developer will write the code. Correct. Right. What else will be required?
Runtime.
Git.
Git. No.
Git
Runtime.
Runtime. Okay. Runtime. Guys, one girl is giving the very correct answer. Runtime. What do you mean by runtime? Can you give the answer completely, please? Who is that?
If application is Java based, then we need JRE to run the application.
Yesterday's my example only. Give something new. I given this example yesterday.
But
So
yesterday
like,
I have not attended the class.
Okay, that's good. Fine. See,
so if we
it's-
are using React-based application, we know we need Node.js. If we are using PHP, then we need Apache.
correct. Cool. So runtime will be required. In the runtime means to run this app server, or who will understand this code. Direct my app server, if understand well and good. If he will not understand this code directly, we need some runtime so that this code will be get understood by the runtime software or runtime application, and he will give the details to me. Is that fine? Yes or no? Are you agree? What else
Yes.
will be required, guys? What else? What else? Is this enough?
Yeah, I
Data
think
centers.
this point
No, some more things will be required. Think it.
Data server. Bro.
DB. Okay, database. If you want to store some information, you can use the DB. Okay. What else? Anything else? Okay, if nothing, yes, minimum this many things will be required to create any of the web-based application. Okay. Web APPLICATION. Okay, cool. Chalo. Now we will achieve all these things, but I will do with the help of some example. Okay. I would like to create it. Where is my example? Yeah, here is my example. Okay. I'm going to create a website with the help of cloud technology, with the help of DevOps tools, and I will create in some couple of seconds. Okay. You can go to any of the cloud provider. I'm writing all these things theory also, so that I can give it to you into the chat window. Okay, means very first you can go to any of the cloud provider, Google Cloud, AWS, Azure. I would like to go into the Google Cloud. Okay, and I will create a virtual machine, and in the virtual machine I will put some operating system. Which operating system is the most popular operating system, guys? Which?
Ubuntu. Like
Yes.
most of the company are using Ubuntu, as I'm also working, so I can say Ubuntu. After
Absolutely.
that, Debian and all
I
those.
absolutely agree. Okay, Ubuntu. Ubuntu is most popular flavor of Linux. Okay, Ubuntu. I will choose I will create a virtual machine. I will choose the operating system as Ubuntu. Can we do these two steps first, and then we will go into the down? Okay, I'm creating a virtual machine. I have to go to the Google Cloud. I'm just opening my browser. In this browser, I'm clicking on my Google Cloud account. The Google Cloud account says the console.cloud.google.com. This is the URL. In this URL, I can create a virtual machine. I'm going here.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
I haven't teach anything. What is the doubt?
Hello. I have
haven't
an
teach anything.
AWS account, sir.
You have a AWS account. Well and good.
I have a AWS account, sir.
So that's good. You
So
can
why I need to create a web server, sir? What's the step?
see same step. Step will not be any changes. You need a Linux operating system. You can use the Linux operating system in the EC2. Okay,
sir. Okay, sir.
What I'm doing it, I'm going to the compute instance. I'm going to the VM instance. Okay, means I need a virtual machine. So I'm going into this place. What is the URL? The URL will be console.cloud.google.com/compute. Compute means CPU and memory. Agree? Yes or no? Compute is available in AWS also. Here
Yeah,
also,
agree with that.
here also the compute. Now, what is my requirement? My requirement is virtual machine. I will do 5 clicks. In the AWS, I did it. I will do the 5 clicks in my GCP as well. I'm clicking on the create instance. Okay. In the create instance, can anyone tell me your name?
Krishna, sir. Krishna.
Krishna. Anyone, another person? I need to. What is the name?
Vinay.
Vinay. Vinay. I'm taking the name Krishna Vinay. Okay. And I'm taking all the default configuration because I don't want you to explain virtual machine at this point. I will explain you in the tomorrow 8 AM. Okay. I'm coming down. I'm taking 1 or 2 CPU and 4 GB RAM he is giving. Okay. I'm taking this machine. By default, it is coming. I'm taking all the by default configuration. One click, I just click on the providing a name. Till now, one click. I'm coming down. And at this point, by default, the Linux 11 bull eyes is coming. But I want to change to the operating system Ubuntu. So I just click on the boot disk. I just click on the change. Second click I did. In the second click, I am choosing the operating system Ubuntu. And in the Ubuntu, the version, some version is coming. Which version? The version 20.4 LTS. Long-term support version, I am taking it because in the real time in your office, you have to choose the operating system which has a long-term support. Every month, every year, the new version will come. Please mute yourself. Let me give the answer. I will give a time. Okay. I am taking the LTS version. The benefit of using the LTS version is it will be available for the long time. Means you don't have to upgrade your operating system in a short duration. It's not required. Okay. And I'm taking the 10 GB size. Okay. Can anyone want to say any number between 10 to 20? Any number?
20.
Can you repeat it one more time?
18.
18. Chalo. 18. Some I heard 18. I'm taking the 18 GB storage size or disk size. I'm just selecting it. I did 2-3 clicks here. Ubuntu 20.4 18 GB, and I just selected. Here it is telling 18 GB. Krishna Vinay machine Ubuntu 20.4 version is coming. Till now 4 clicks done. I'm allowing the traffic HTTPS means I need an internet because I will create a virtual. I will put my code. I will put my web application so that it will go to the internet because we all are sitting over the internet, right? We are connected with the help of internet. So definitely internet is required. So I'm just allowing it and I click on the create. As soon as I will click on the create, in the next 30 seconds, my virtual machine is created. Can I write it done here? That these 2 steps are done. Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm just closing this all things, and you can see here in the next 20 seconds, my virtual machine will be ready. Okay. Now, how to connect to this virtual machine? Can anyone give me the answer? How to connect?
Using SSH and public key and the username also.
Both answers are correct. With the help of public key, this is the external IP, means a public key. Public key, what is the difference between internal IP or external IP? What is the difference?
Internal IP only used to serve inside the instance. Like if we are using subdomain name, it will connect to the private IP.
Internally, see, it's on the intranet. Okay, means inside the Google Cloud, inside your cloud, if you want to connect to one machine with other, you can connect with the internal IP that is run on the intranet. Okay. External IP, if you want to connect with the help of internet, someone outside the Google Cloud can also connect to this machine with the help of external IP. That is called public IP. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is SSH?
It's a secure socket host we used to connect using private key or public key, where we have to put our public key inside the instance so we can connect securely.
Correct. Arya, how much is your experience?
It's like 1.5 year in DevOps.
1.5 in DevOps. Good. Okay. And definitely, if you will give this type of answers into interview, you can ask 10 to 15 lakh also in 1 year experience or 2 year experience. Okay. Keep it up. Chalo. I'm just clicking on SSH. Okay. As soon as I'm clicking on the SSH, what will happen? My public key from my account will be get transferred here. Okay. And keys are getting transferred. It will take some couple of seconds. I will teach you all these things, how to create a keys, how to move the keys and all these things. Okay. And it will take some time. Okay. It will take some time. Connections are happening.
For this, we need to create Google account like AWS.
I will teach you. I will teach you. Yes, I will teach you all these things. No need to worry. I have landed into the environment, or I have landed into the machine. With this account, Vikas for cloud account, I landed into this machine. Till now, agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone happy? Everyone agree till now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, at this point, I am a Vikas user. Vikas is just a user. I am running one command, sudo -i. What do you mean by sudo -i? I will
Switch into the root directory.
switch on the camera. Whoever knows the answer, switch on the camera. Okay. Or raise the hand, please. It will be good. Yes, Vinay. Okay. With the help of sudo -i command, what will happen? It will become a root user. Means from the Vikas user, it become the root user. Some extra privileges will come. Means it's a admin user will be get create. Admin user, I have connected with the admin user, so I can do some more activities, more privileged activities with the help of root user. Till now, okay?
Yes. The difference between sudo I and sudo su?
Sudo su means super user.
Okay.
Okay. Sudo -i means it will connect with the root user. Su means you can change to any other user as well. Su Vinay. So sudo -su, sudo su Vinay also. If Vinay has a privileges access, we can change the switch user with the help of Vinay as well. Okay. At this point, I want to come into the root only. So I just given sudo -i. Got it? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm telling, I'm just running, I'm going into this place, and till step 2, I'm done. I connected it with the help of, I'm connected into the machine as well. I did the SSH also. Now, step 3, step 4, step 5 are telling that you have to do some more activity. Install Docker means run the runtime. Means I am here installing the docker as a runtime. Okay. And I will download the website. Means I will do this activity also. Let me write it. This one is done. I'm installing the Docker. Okay. As a runtime means it will give a platform to me. How to install a Docker? Can anyone help me out? How to install a Docker?
So
sudo app install docker.io.
Okay, chalo, looks good. I'm just writing this command here, install Docker. These are the 3 commands we have to run it to install the Docker. Okay, but before that, let me check it. If I don't know the command, I will just check it with the help of docker-v. The Docker is available in my machine or not. I just run the command docker-v. I press enter. I get an error that Docker is not found. Docker is not installed in my machine. Are you agree? Docker is not available in my machine at this point. And the beauty of Linux, it is telling run this command apt install docker.io and Docker version 20.10.25 will be installed in your machine. Means if you don't know this command, how to install Docker, no need to worry. It will get installed automatically with the help of this command. Linux itself will provide you the command. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I would like to follow the best practice. I am running one more command, apt get update. What will happen? All the packages, as soon as you will take any of the machine, first update all the packages. Okay, as a best practice, I am updating all the packages into the machine. It will take some couple of seconds and all the packages around 25.2 MB will be installed or downloaded in my machine and it will get installed as a best practice. Okay, all the packages has been done. Now I'm running the command apt install docker.io, which I get it directly from the Linux itself. And I'm just running this command. As soon as I will press enter, it is asking me, it says 267 MB software. Do you want to install? I'm telling why, and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, it will take some couple of seconds and my Docker is 19% installed. Okay. And it will take some more time based on your internet speed, based on your performance, and it will get installed. Around 78%, 84% has been installed. Okay, 95%, 97%, and it's done. Docker has been installed. How can I verify? I will run the command docker-v again, and this time it is telling Docker version 24.0 has been installed in the machine. Got it? I've done with this activity as well. My Docker, my runtime has been installed in my machine. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vikash.
Everyone on the same place? Everyone able to, everyone is here?
Yes, yes, sir, we are here.
Okay, cool. Now, obviously, now the development part will become, okay, I have to take the code from the developer. I have to tell to the developer, sir, give me the code, which website code you want to run, HTML code, CSS code, whatever the code you have, give it to me. So developer will tell that, okay, I put the code into the GitHub. You can download from the GitHub. Okay. So in place, I don't have the developers at this point. So I will go to some internet website and I will download the code. I'm going into this place. The website says that free.css.com. In this place, if you will see here, there are so many templates are here. In the template, there are so many templates. You can choose anything. Kinder, okay, Yoga, EduCut, Makan, Einstein, Accurate Cafe. Guys, out of 6, can you choose any of the flavor, any of the thing? What I have to create?
Makan, I think.
Yes.
Makan. Are you guys okay for Makan?
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
Okay. So some students are telling Makan.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, Singh, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hello.
We are able to hear you. Hello. After that, please say something. Okay. This code has been written into the HTML, dark on light, and this type of website will be created. If I click on download, what will happen? The code will get downloaded in my Windows machine. Correct. Now my requirement is I want to download this code into the Linux machine. How can I do it? I will just open this. I will copy link address. I will copy the link address. I will go to my Linux machine. I'm just typing ls. At this point, only snap folder is available. Okay. I will run the wget command. Okay. With the help of wget command, I'm just providing the URL and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, it will take some couple of seconds and one file has been downloaded that is called makan.zip file. Are you okay till now? With the help of wget command, I downloaded makan.zip file. Okay. In the makan.zip file, okay. Now, in the Windows, if it says zip file, what we have to do it? We have to unzip it.
Unzip. Yes, we need to unzip.
We have to unzip it. I am providing any of the links to unzip it? Yes, there is a command, unzip command, unzip and run it. Okay, I'm just typing the command unzip and I'm giving the name makan.zip file. If I'm pressing enter, I'm getting some error. What is this error?
is
ID.
not
The
found.
Install the unzip.
unzip is not available in the terminal.
Unzip software
Sure.
is not available. Unzip application is not available in my Linux machine. Linux is very good. He's telling run this command, unzip will be downloaded in your machine. Okay. I just run the command apt install unzip, and unzip has been installed at this point. Now I'm running again the same command unzip macan.zip file. I'm pressing enter. Some HTML templates has been downloaded. I'm just typing ls command, and you can see something related to real estate HTML templates has been unzipped. Till now, all good. Everyone agree? All fine?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
all fine.
Okay. Now, what is here in this place? I am telling that I downloaded the website. Yes, code has been provided by developer. Okay, developer will provide the code. We don't have to worry at all. I have unzipped it also. Okay, and after unzipping it, something this real estate file has been keyed. Correct. Now what I'm doing it with the help of now what is in this place. Someone told that you have to use the web server, any of the web server, Apache, Tomcat, Nginx, and connect with the app server with the help of this code. Correct. Now what is the requirement? This app server has to be get connected with the code. We have the code. Now we have to connect the app server with the help of code. Correct. Agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I will take the help from the runtime software Docker. Docker will download the Nginx and connect with this code. Okay. So I'm going to my PPT again. I'm taking the command. Okay. And I'm just putting the command here. Where is the command? I have to put it. Yeah. Okay. Run the connect and run the website. Okay. I'm taking this command. This is the code. Here is my code available. I'm just changing the location. In this place, the code is available. This Docker will run the Nginx container on the port 80. At this point, I don't want to go more deeper into the Docker, but I want to say that run the Docker will run the Nginx on this location on port 80. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Because I got a question. -d, it means it's a detached now.
-d means detached. I don't want to see the logs. The
Okay,
logs
okay,
will be
okay.
inside it. Okay, I don't want you to confuse. I don't want to see the logs. That's why I written
Okay,
hyphen.
okay, got it.
Okay, -p, it should be run on port 80. All the web applications should run on the web server. So I'm running on port 80. Okay, before that, let's check it. Something is already running on. This is my external IP. I'm going into my browser, double column 80, and I'm pressing enter. And at this point, I'm seeing that nothing is running. I'm giving you this link to you all. Okay, can you check it that anything is running on your environment? Double column 80, anything you are able to access? I'm not able to access. Can you give the confirmation to me?
Not able to access.
Not able. I need some more confirmation.
Not able to
No,
access.
it's not open.
Not opening. Means nothing is running on this IP. Correct. Now what I will do, I have a Docker command. I have a runtime command. I'm telling Docker to create the Nginx container and connect with this code. Chalo, I'm copying this command. I will explain you very deeply. No need to worry. Okay. I'm copying this command and I'm just running into this place. I need a confirmation from you. I'm copying this command. I just pasted here. Can I press enter?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. As
Because-
soon as I will press enter, something will be happen. Okay. I'm pressing enter. It is trying to search the Nginx software. It is not available. It downloaded from the internet. Pull, configured, all done. Means in this place, someone told about configuration. This is also done. Nginx also came. This code has been connected. Chalo, if something is done, we can go to the web, that URL. Can you check it? Is this working or not?
Yes, now it's working. Unit.
Everything is working.
Yes, working.
Yes.
It's working.
If you know cloud, if you know DevOps, you can do all these things in some couple of seconds. Yes or no? What is required here? Only knowledge. Yes or no? If you have a knowledge,
Yes.
if you have a knowledge, steps are very simple. Go to any cloud, create a virtual machine, install runtime, developer will give you the code. You have to configure the code and run it. And definitely you can go into the IP and check it is working or not. If you have a knowledge, you can achieve this thing very quickly. So this question, I proved that yes, in the 5 minute, where is my quiz? Yeah, I proved that in the 5 minute, freely we can create any of the website if we have a knowledge. If we don't have knowledge, people will go with this approach that it is not possible. People will say that 2 weeks, 2 lakhs, 20 lakhs, budget and all these things, and it will not happen. If you have a cloud knowledge, if you have a DevOps knowledge, you can able to achieve this thing very quickly. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
There are other tools too, that means Google Bard AI. So you can create by description.
We can, as per the requirement, we can choose the another tool as well. Possible. Yes. Okay. Cool.
In that command, we need to give container port.
In this, yes, in which port you want to run. This is the virtual machine port. This is the container port. One container of Nginx has been created and it has been connected with the 80 port of your virtual machine, because I want to see this detail into the IP address of your virtual machine. That's why I written 2 times. I will teach you, no need to worry.
I know, sir. My question is here in browser, we doesn't enter port number.
In the browser, we don't enter the port number, right? This is
That's
your question. Can anyone give the answer to Vinay? Why I haven't write the port number in the browser?
Because by default, the public IP is running on port 80. And if
by default, web server will run on port 80. Okay.
Yeah. By default, it's running.
By default, web servers or web service related things will run on port 80.
Okay.
No confusion at all. Okay. So that is good. Okay, nice. Now, after running this, okay, what we have understood. Okay, let me explain you something. In the yesterday class, I was explaining you some infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Remember? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. What I was telling.
My first class.
This is your first class. Where were you yesterday?
Sir, this is my first class, sir.
Why you missed the yesterday? I will give you the recording. Okay. I hope you all are in our community. Okay. Be available into the WhatsApp community. This is the community. I will give you the link. I will give you, if you are already in any of the community, no need to worry. I will post the message in all the 3 communities. We have 3 communities. Okay. I will give you the link, invite group link. I'm copying this. Okay. I'm just giving this link into the chat window. If you are not in,
sir, create a WhatsApp group. Yeah. Create a WhatsApp group.
See, already so many WhatsApp groups are there. No need to worry, but I have to pass the information. I will pass into the community. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, maybe answer, sir. Give me your number, sir.
My number is already on website. Here is my number. Okay. Here is my number. If you will come to my website down, here is my number. First is my number, and the HR number is also available here. Guys, if you have any question, feel free to message me on the WhatsApp. This is my number. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo, let's continue. I will send it. No worries. Okay, I will send it. It will automatically come to my YouTube channel. No need to worry. Okay, I will give it to you. Okay, guys, be available in this community. You will get the recording link. Okay. In the yesterday's session, we discussed what is infrastructure service, what is platform, what is software service. Mobile. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. In the infrastructure service, what exactly I did? I created the virtual machine. I created the operating system. That is called a infrastructure service. Means I took the infrastructure service from the Google Cloud. Are you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
After that, what I did, I installed some runtime or some software. Means I created a platform. If cloud provider will provide this information, means I am taking the platform as a service with them. This is just an unfurnished home. Something semi-furnished they are doing with the help of installing some software. That is called platform as a service. As you are the end user, you are directly using my website, right? If you will directly use my website, You will take the services from here, means you are using the software as a service model where the virtual machine operating system has been provided by the cloud, Docker, Nginx or website has been deployed by the DevOps engineers, and you are directly using as a service. That is called software as a service. Yesterday example, have you understood that? Why we created, why I was explaining this theory? Because I want to prove that part. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Sir, share the recording section, sir. Recording section shared,
I
sir.
will provide. I will.
Yeah, initially set now because recording sessions will not provided.
But see, some students are asking, what can I do? I don't want to say no, right? Right? I don't want to say no. I will provide it. Okay, no worries. Okay, because some students want to revise it again and again. I don't want to stop you for anything. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So this is how we can create a website in the 5 minutes. Just what all things will be required? If you have a knowledge of cloud, if you have a knowledge of DevOps tools, you can definitely able to do all these things in couple of minutes. That's why every companies are adopting the cloud. Means the infra will be very easy. If we will not use the cloud, we have to it will be very difficult. We have to create this type of data centers, right? We have to create this type of data centers by own. System admin people will manage it. Okay, and it will take a long time. You have to go for the shopping, you have to purchase this type of hardware, you have to rent it, and then only the virtual machine you can create it. Earlier it was very difficult to create a virtual machine. Now it's just a 5-click or 2-click, you will able to get a virtual machine. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the virtual machine or in the data center, if any of the problem happen in the data center, what is the solution? You have to go into the data center and check the failure. You have to check if any of the communication failure, if any of the power outage, network, or any of the problem is happening, then the only solution is you have to go to the data center and fix it. Okay, but with the help of cloud, you don't have to worry. First thing, we will not get much problems. If any of the problem will happen, the cloud provider, the Google Cloud will help to fix that issue. Agree with my point? Yes or no? We don't have to go to see at this point, this machine is running in US Central. I don't have to go to the US Central and fix this machine. No, the Google Cloud people will fix that part. Okay, cool. Now, in the earlier case, if I will ask one more scenario question, okay, at this point, if you will see here, I have running some GB of RAM. Okay, my 67% CPU is using, or 13 GB of my RAM is using. If I have to increase my RAM, what is the solution, guys? What is the solution? How can I increase my RAM?
If in Windows we have to make it physically.
Okay, physically means you have to invest some money, you have to purchase the RAM, you have to remove the old RAM, and you have to put the new RAM, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it's a data center approach, same approach. You have to purchase a new hardware, you have to add a new hardware, you have to remove the old hardware and throw the old hardware. Correct?
Yes, correct.
Right? This is called data center approach. But in the cloud, if you want to change the RAM, if you want to upgrade your machine, it's just a 2-click. Just shut down your machine, change the configuration and start it again. Your machine will be up with the new configuration. I will show you in the today's session. No need to worry. Okay, but it's very simple. Just a click, we can change the configuration of our virtual machine as well. Earlier, it was very difficult. Okay, if any of the problem into the data center, paying the rent. Okay, if we are paying the rent, data center, if you are not using it, we have to pay the rent. If any of the power supply goes, if any of the hardware replacement, scaling is limited, we have to hire 24/7 team, or any of the disaster happen, we have to run away to the data center and we have to fix it. This was the problem. That's why I'm encouraging you to learn the cloud.
वही जो दीदी का भेजा तो बोलता आर यू मैरिड.
Please guys, mute yourself, otherwise I have to intentionally make you mute. Okay, please. Okay, and after that the cloud journey has been started. Okay, which we have already learned it in the yesterday session. Okay, chalo, can I bring my next question? Already 5 questions we have covered up, and at this point Pramod is on the top. I'm bringing the next question on your screen. Are you happy with this example? Yes or no?
So happy, Vikas. It's an awesome session.
Cool. Chalo, thank you. I'm bringing the next question on your screen. Guys, please be very active. Give the answer quickly so that I want to see your names on this place. Okay. Next question on your screen in the next 4 seconds. Can we run commands or script in Windows? Is that possible? Or the black screen is coming in Windows or in the Linux only? Guys, 10 seconds left. Can we run like commands in script and scripting in Windows also? Possible or not possible? Four students are telling no, it is not possible. These four students are absolutely wrong. Okay. Yes, it is possible. Whatever the commands in Linux are there, we can run the some same commands into the Windows as well. Most of the commands are very similar in Linux and Windows. Okay. In Windows also, we have a command prompt, CMD. We can run the commands into this place. What else is available in Windows? Guys, to run the script?
PowerShell scripting.
PowerShell is available. Okay. POWR PowerShell scripting. Okay. Here it's a PowerShell window. You can run the PowerShell commands, Windows commands, mostly similar to Windows or similar to Linux. We can run into this place. Okay. Or some more terminals are available into the line in the Windows itself. Okay. If you will go here, right click, and if I will click on the terminal, open in terminal, you will see that so many terminals can be possible in Windows. Okay. If I will click here, command prompt, Azure Cloud Shell, Git Bash, multiple varieties. 3 are here. Windows PowerShell 1, command prompt 2, Azure Cloud Shell 3, GitHub Bash 4 are available in my machine. If you know the DevOps, you will able to, I will teach you the Git Bash installation. I will teach you the Azure Cloud Shell installation also, so that we can run the scripting or commands into the Windows as well. Okay. Cool. I'm just closing this all things. Okay, and the students has given the correct answer. Well and good. I'm bringing the next question on your screen. Whoever is the new in this quiz, please join this quiz with the help of this link, and the code is available into the screen already. Okay, I'm giving you this link. Please join it. Whoever is the new latecomer. Okay, I given the link. The code is available here. Please join it and at least see the 3-4 question. The next question on your screen. In the next 2 seconds, 1 second, simple Linux command. Which of the following command will display the content of file in the Linux? Be very fast, give the answer. See, the problem is here. Some student given the ls command, you don't have the basic knowledge of Linux. Okay, grep is different command. View, there is no command like view, and the correct answer was cat. If you want to read any of the file, you can run the cat command and you can read it. There is no command view. What is grep command? Can anyone hear?
To
Tell
catch
me
anything.
It's a filter command that we
To
use
find
to
any file,
content
to
of
find
file.
unknown file.
to find or to search anything in the Linux, we can use the command grep. What is the use of ls command?
To show the list of files.
List of the directories.
To see the list of files and directories, we can run the ls command. The correct answer was cat. Okay, 50% knows the correct answer, but very less students are giving the answer. 30, 40, 50, only 40 students are giving. Out of 90, 40 students are giving the answers. Why you are not giving the answers? Guys, give the answer. Your name will come into the chat window. Please. I'm bringing the next question on your screen. Please be very active. In the next 2 seconds, the question is on your screen.
Yeah.
The question is the Linux and Unix are same? Five, 15 seconds. Guys, give the answer quickly. Be fast. Be very fast. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. And confusing. Some people are telling Linux is similar to Unix. No, no. Linux is the open source for Unix. That is, I agree. But Linux is not same as Unix. Okay. But Linux is like a Unix, and it is created by the college student, which is in the Finland in 1991 or 81 something. The Torvald Linus is the person who was the college student who created the Linux from the Unix idea. The idea of Unix, he get it, and he created the operating system Linux, and that time it become open source and freely available into the market. So the correct answer is it has been created by the college student. It's a similar to Unix. Cool, got it? Can I bring the next question? The last question on your screen.
Yes.
Okay. Be very fast. If you want to learn the Linux or Linux administrator for the DevOps engineers, how many commands will be required? Fast, 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 fast. Some student tell 10 commands. Guys, 10 is very less. If you go as a fresher, 5 lakh package, 4 lakh package, then 10 commands, it's okay. Even fresher knows more than that. Okay. Whoever is giving this answer, absolutely wrong. Okay. If you know 1000 command, there is no 1000 command is available in Linux. So this answer is absolutely wrong. Unlimited, it's not a unlimited. If you know 50 commands into the Linux, you will able to perform all the activities in the Linux. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? If we know 50 Linux command, we can achieve anything as a Linux administrator into the Linux environment. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So what all 50 commands? Now the problem is, sir, 10 commands, so it's okay. What all 50 commands we have to be aware? Let's come into learning the Linux command, because Linux theory we know how to create a Linux machine. Now the pending is Linux command. If we know the Linux command, well and good, we will able to achieve the things. Okay. Chalo. Let's come here. Where is the Linux PPT? I'm bringing my Linux PPT in the screen. Okay, can we take a small break here, and then we will understand the Linux commands. Just a small break, because some students want to go for a small break. Yes or no?
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sure.
Okay.
Yes,
How
sir.
many
Yes,
minute
sir.
break? How many minute break? Tell me.
10 minutes.
4 minutes.
No, 10 minutes is more. 3
4
minutes.
minutes.
3 minutes.
7 minutes.
Okay. 3 minutes. I'm giving only 3 minutes. Okay. Please come back in 3 minutes. We will start the Linux command. Okay. Please come back in 3 minutes. Guys, I'm back. What about you? I hope you all are back.
Yes.
Yes, Vikas.
Okay. Yes. Can you ask some 2-3 questions in between so that other person will also be back in between? Please feel free to ask some questions. Go ahead.
Hi, Vikash.
Yeah, Musafir. Switch on the camera. It will be great if possible.
Okay. Wait.
So that it will be more interactive. Okay.
No problem.
I don't want to talk with the black screen. Yeah, Musafir. Go ahead.
Am I visible?
No, you have to switch on the shutter as well in your laptop. Yeah, now fine. Cool.
Okay, so actually I'm a fresher now. So
Okay.
I have 10 months of experience in IT
You have a
industry.
10-year experience, then you are not a fresher.
10 years, not
10 months.
so,
If you
sorry,
have a
10
10
months,
If
sorry.
you have a 10 months of experience, you are not a fresher. Okay. You already get a job. So you are not a fresher.
Okay. So actually I'm working with Vodafone and
You are working with very big company. Okay. No need to worry.
okay, and I am right now my role is application operation. So I have little bit knowledge of Linux and Apache server and that's. But my question is that am I able to take this course?
You are very much eligible to take this course. Okay. Because at this point, I'm just assuming. Okay. You are into the support profile, right?
Yes.
If you will stay for the 4 years or 5 years into this profile only, your package will not get increased, right?
Right.
After 5 years also, it will be 5 lakh or 6 lakh only. Correct?
Yes.
If you
Correct.
made a switch, you have to work into the shift, night shift, rotational shift, and no one, L3 people will not give any knowledge to you. You will
Yes,
be always
exactly.
in L1 because if their job will be unsecure if they will give a knowledge to you.
Yes,
Correct?
exactly.
So you must have to learn the things and come into the cloud, because whatever we are learning, just a 2% of the actual thing. Okay. This is a weekend workshop, means in this 2 days we will learn cloud computing and Linux. But if you will see here, where is my, okay, full poster is not available in this. Let me show you something. Okay. Yeah, we have the big course. Okay. What exactly the big course is? It's a 2.5-month journey. In this journey, we will cover up the 9 modules. The very first module, we will create a DevOps foundation. We will teach you the Linux, 1 week for the Linux, and whatever you are doing till now. Okay. Everything will be covered in this 1 week only. Okay. And after that, we will start our journey of AWS and DevOps. So this is a 9-module journey. If you will see here in my website, let's go to the syllabus. That's the right time. Okay. Your question related to this. So let me go to the syllabus. And if you will see here, we have to learn all these things for the next 2.5 months to become a cloud and DevOps engineer. Okay. And we are very transparent to teach you what day, what we have to teach it. And you are most welcome, guys. Whoever is interested to learn this thing, just come into my website. Okay. Just come to my website and just click on this link, 8 a.m. IST, and come to my batches.
Sure.
Is that make sense?
Because it's available in only morning 8 a.m. time slot.
Hi guys, I'm not getting any voice. Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Is that audible?
Yes, you are audible. And the person is asking, like, do you have only morning shift batch? 8
I'm
o'clock?
not able to hear anything. Guys, please unmute and tell me. Is I'm audible?
Yes.
Yes, because we can audible.
But I'm not able to hear anything. Okay, chalo, leave it.
Hello.
Guys, what I want to say, very bad. How come I'm not able to hear anything?
So he was asking about is this only morning batch or in?
I'm not able to hear anything.
Can you speak now?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, now I'm
Hello.
able to. Okay, you are able to hear me properly?
Yes, we
sir.
can.
Yes.
Cool. Okay, let's continue without headphone. Okay, so we have a big course, which is a 2.5 months mentoring course, which I will take care from my side. I will teach you all these things, whatever I'm teaching, like the same way I will teach you for the 2.5 months. Okay. In this 2.5 months, I will teach you the two clouds. One is Google Cloud as well as another cloud is AWS. I will teach you top 10 AWS services. I will teach you top 10 DevOps tools. I will teach you everything with the practical. Today we did only one practical. This type of 30 practicals I will do in front of you. It will cover 50 live classes. Only we are doing one class, right? At this point, 50 times extra knowledge you will get it in this course. Unlimited placement. We will provide you the referrals as well because we have a big community. HRs are reaching us to give the candidates, and we are not able to find the candidates, the right candidate, trained candidates. We are providing the unlimited placements. Okay. Lifetime access, whatever the PPT, recordings, videos you are seeing it, everything you will get it for the lifetime. How I will say that lifetime? Because we will upload all the drives or class links into the video drive, okay, or into the Google Drive. In this Google Drive, you will see that day 1, day 2, 3, all the videos in a order will be available, and we will provide it to you. Okay. What all these videos are there? It's based on our syllabus, whatever we are learning in everyday session. Okay. Every day we are doing the recording the class and we are providing it to you. It contains the topic 40% theory and 60% practice. Is that make sense?
Because is the training class available only in morning slot?
Only in morning, because I am also a real-time worker. Okay. I have an office and I will teach you the real-time things only into the morning, and that is 8 a.m. IST.
Okay, because why I'm asking is I'm doing night shift. That's why I'm asking.
See, you are exceptional case, you are doing the night shift, but most of the people will go to the office at 10 a.m., 11 a.m., right?
Correct.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Correct. Because I observe that, see, evening is for the family. Evening time is different for everyone. Okay. So I want, as per my experience, we feel that morning is the best time for the learning. And if you will learn something into the morning, you will able to remember for a long time. And how we will teach you, we will bring the questions, we will bring the problems, we will discuss the problem into the class. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, because yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. And this is the course which we have. Okay. And in this, we will teach you everything and we will make a cloud and DevOps engineers to you. Okay. And what we have to follow, we are following this roadmap or this path. In this path, first we will make a DevOps foundation. I need 1 week time for this. I will teach 1 week Linux to you. I will teach 2 weeks AWS to you. I will teach, then this is a cloud journey. Okay. After that, the DevOps journey will get started. And in between, in this DevOps foundation, I will teach you the Google Cloud as well. Okay. And then from the fourth module, our GitHub and Jenkins will get started. In the fifth module, the Docker and Kubernetes will get started. After that, in the sixth module, we will understand the Terraform and Ansible with practical. In the module 7, I will teach you basics of scripting as well. In the module 8, I will teach you the monitoring. Okay, whatever the L1, L2, L3 people or DevOps engineer has to set up, that all things we will discuss in the module 8. Means I need 1 week time for the 2 weeks time for the Docker and Kubernetes. I need 1 week time for the Terraform and Ansible. I need 2-3 days to teach you the basics of Python, because Python is asking into the interviews or asking into your resume. It has to be available if you want 5 lakh extra. Whatever you are asking, I will teach you in 2 days. I will not teach you the coding. I have to teach you the automation with the help of Auto, integration with AWS, integration with DevOps tools. This is what I have to teach, and I will teach you into the Python in the next 2 days. Okay. Real-time projects, we will do it 3 real-time projects based on our learning. I will provide it. If you are really interested, you can join in between any time. You don't have to worry. I will provide you the running batch access as well. We will provide you the next batch, whatever the next batch we will create it. After completing this course, you will start able to revise everything from the starting onwards. Is that fine? Right now, from tomorrow, we are into the module 5. We are going to start the Docker and Kubernetes. And we will start with the virtual machine, then we will start with the Docker, and then we will go into the Kubernetes. What my point? And we will follow strictly, we are following this syllabus which is available here. Till now, we have completed already 28-30 classes. We have already completed Docker and virtual machine. We are going to start from the tomorrow. Make sense? Yes or no? How you can track the things? whatever the things are becoming into the green color, it is getting completed. Got it?
Yeah, got it, Vikas.
Cool. Can we go into the Linux? Or anyone has
please.
any other question?
Yes, because this is Fatima.
Yeah, Fatima,
I
go
have
ahead.
to ask a question regarding today's session only. The code which you have shown, Unix, is stored and managed by the Git, and I have to ask that before the GitHub, how we manage the code, on where we store the code. I
Before
think you
that,
had given the answer, but due to some network issue, I couldn't listen.
before that, 15 years back, the developers are maintaining the code like this, and this is the worst way. Okay, they are writing the code into the local files and they are managing it, but it's the worst way. Trust me, version control is not there. Lot of problem. For Fatima, for your question, it's required a big explanation related to the Git and GitHub.
Okay.
Okay, but earlier it was managed like this, and this is not a correct.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. We have created one meme also. Okay, I will show you. Instagram. Just give me a second. I'm just searching this thing. Yeah. Where do you save your code? And someone told that we are storing the code into the Google Drive. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, I want you to remember that this is not the correct way. The correct way is we have to maintain the code into the GitHub. That's a DevOps solution. Guys, follow this page. You will get this type of information so that you will remember. Yesterday we created this thing, front end and back end. How you feel that? Is this relevant to our profile?
Yeah, yes, Vikas.
You will remember always this is the front end, this is the back end. Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas.
Okay. So I want, this is our page. Okay, CloudDevOpsHub. Already 7,000 followers are there. I want you to please follow so that you will get all this information on your screen. Okay, on your Instagram. Cool. Let's go to the another thing. Okay, let's go to the another thing. Let's come to our actual thing. Okay, whoever is interested, want to become a DevOps engineer or cloud engineer, feel free to reach out to Shikha or me. We will definitely provide you the information. We will allow you from the current as well as the next batch as well. Okay.
Sir, look.
Okay. Can we go more into the Linux? What you say? Yes or no?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, cool. Let me quickly go through what all things we listed.
Hello.
Yeah, Santosh?
Yes. Can you? Is it possible that can we discuss the problem statement of any project that you are going to or you can say random project?
Not at
just
this
to discuss
point.
problem.
See, not at this point. Can we make it? Let me take 10 more minutes. Okay. After that, I will give opportunity to ask the questions. Is that fine? 10 more minutes.
Okay, sure.
Okay, cool. In the 10 minutes, let me tell you, Ubuntu is the most popular operating system in the Linux distribution. In most of the company, Ubuntu is the flavor which has been used, as well as in some of the companies, CentOS as well as the Debian. Debian as well as CentOS and Ubuntu are the three most popular operating system or distribution available in Linux. Okay, cool. Now, Linux has been divided into the multiple parts. Red Hat, Fedora, Debian, and some other. Red Hat, it's an enterprise edition for the commercial use license version. Fedora, again, it's a part of Red Hat only. Okay, it's sponsored by Red Hat, but Fedora can be open source available into the market. Debian, it's again a open source component where some Ubuntu flavor is coming into this. Means Linux has multiple distribution and Debian is that, Fedora and Red Hat is also. Okay. We have to understand basics of Unix and Linux, which we have already discussed it. We have to understand the difference between Unix and Linux. Okay, that's really important. We have to understand the file system of Linux. In Windows also, we have a file system. Where is our Windows file system? Can anyone help me out? Why I'm telling Windows as a file system? in our C drive, automatically this, whenever we will install the Windows, automatically this Windows folder will get created, some user folder will get created, program data, program files folder get created, or some bin BIOS type of folder will get created. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? It's available in your Windows system also?
Yes.
What is this? This is the file system of Windows. Whenever the Windows will get installed, minimum of this thing will be installed. It's a part of the operating system, and things related to the operating system will be inside this all folders. If I will ask the question with you, what is this user folder?
Whenever Windows a user is created in Windows, a particular user is created into the user folder where we can access ourselves or the another user.
Wait. It's straight and simple. Whatever the users are using this Windows operating system, that all details will be available into this Windows folder. Correct? User folder. Correct?
Correct.
Right? Same thing. Let's go to the Linux machine. Okay. In Windows, the C drive is the root location or file distribution system available in C drive. In Linux, where it is? Can anyone give me the answer?
It's in root, like cd dot dot. It will go into the root directory.
It will be into the root directory. Right now, I'm into the home directory. This tilde sign belong to the home directory. If you will go with the help of cd command says that change the directory to the root location, and I'm going into the root location. From the home location, it becomes the root location. And if I will type the ls command, you will see some file distribution or some folders or files are coming. Correct? What these files and folders are available? This is the C drive of the Linux machine. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone?
Correct. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's come here. This is the file structure for the Linux. In all these things, guys, can you just give me 1 second? Okay, I'm just coming back. 1 second, please. Guys, absolutely sorry. I'm back. Okay. In this root location, this all details are available. Okay. What we have to understand? We have to understand this 5 folders. If we understand these 5 folders, we will able to understand Windows. Are you agree? Yes or no? If we know what is BIOS, if we know what is program file, if we know what is users, if we know what is Windows, we are able to understand the distribution of Windows. Correct? We already know in the users folder, user related information is available. Right? Cool. Chalo. Let's come into this place. In the very first folder or very first location, that is a root location, that is a super user location, that will come with the help of sudo -i command or with the help of su command, we will come into the root location. Okay. Or root is a location as well as root is a user into the Linux. Very simple point. All the configuration files in Linux machine will be available into the etc folder. Sir, where is etc folder? If you will see here, this is the etc folder. All the system related configurations file will be available into the etc location in Linux. If I will ask you in Windows, where it will be available, can anyone give me the answer? Windows configuration files in Windows. Please give me the answer. Where exactly it is?
Bin folder.
Where?
Bin.
No. Guys, you don't know what is Windows? Someone is telling Windows folder. Yes, in this Windows folder, this all details related to operating system will be available in this Windows folder. Okay. Same thing, same type of information will be available into the etc location of Linux machine. Okay. What is bin? Bin location, something bin location is available in Linux. Let me go into my Linux machine. Okay. Here there is a bin location. Where is that? Here is a bin location in Linux. What do you mean by bin? What do you mean by binary files?
When system boot up, it executes some files and the software that we have installed, it automatically execute with the system boot up so that the system comes with the software that we have installed.
Okay.
It is
Binary files.
machine level language.
Binary files doesn't require installation. Directly run it. That is called binary files. Agree?
Yeah, okay, got it.
Right? Which are executable file. If any of the executable file we can keep into the binary bin location in the Linux. In Windows, automatically run files are not available. But if we have a requirement, we want to run some binaries, we can create a bin folder, and we are using Apache, Maven, Gradle, or so many things which can be automatically, or binary files can be run. So we can create a bin folder in Windows and we can use it. In Windows says that you have to install all the softwares, right? We will click next, exe file we will get, and we will next, and then we have to run it, right? It will get installed and then only we can run it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
But in Windows, it's not like, but in Linux, it's not like that. You can directly take the runnable file or binary file, you can keep into the bin location and you can use it.
Mobile stream.
Okay. Let's go to the another thing. User. In the Windows also, there is a user folder. Okay, where is that user folder? If you will go here, whatever the users are available in Windows, it will be here. Whatever the users we can create in Linux machine, it will be available into this user folder, same as Windows. In the Windows users will be available in Windows user folder. In the Linux, the user folder will be available, and we can run the users. We can see the users detail into this folder. We have to learn. There is in your company, there is a UAM team, user access management team, who will take care of all things. Means how to create a user, how to check the user password, how to delete the user, add group, multiple groups, change the group, encryption, description, change related things. I will teach you all these user related operations in the class. Okay, no need to worry for that. But all things has to be achieved with the help of command in the Linux. So we have to learn this many commands. For basic understanding of Linux, we have to understand this many commands. Okay, if we know this many commands, we will able to learn the Linux very easy. Got my point? Yes or no? Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, let me go here. What is temp location? Can anyone give me the answer for temp? What do you mean by temp?
Come again, Vikas?
What is temp location in Linux? TMP.
Temp, it's like a temporary files it stores in that one. It's like
correct. If you want to do any of the temporary operation into the Linux machine, then you can go into the temp. It has extra privileges. Some extra privileges are available for all the users. You can perform the temporary operation into the temp location. Cool. What do you mean by dev folder? There is a dev folder in Linux also. Where exactly it is? If you will come into this place, there will be definitely a dev folder. Here is the dev folder. What do you mean by this dev folder in Linux? Device installation file created while installation. Okay. In this place, if you will see here, some program files are available, right, in Windows. Whatever we will install or automatically install with the operating system, all will come into this place. Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas.
Guys, yes or no?
Yeah, yes, Vikas.
Same thing. There is a dev folder into the Linux machine, and it will get installed into the, it will be available into the dev folder into the Linux. After understanding the file structure, we have to understand some Linux. Let's jump. Okay, I don't want to give much time here. Let's understand 5 more Linux command at least. Okay, so that we will confident that at least we are aware about Linux somehow. Okay, very first command, hostname command. What is hostname command? Can anyone tell me the answer? What do you mean by hostname command? If I will
whatever
the IP address.
If I will run the hostname command, what will happen? I will get the name of the machine. I will get the name of the machine if I will run the hostname command. Is this command available in Windows also? Let's check it. EMP.
Yes.
If I will run the
Available.
command, this is my Windows terminal, HOSTNAME. If I will run it, yes, I'm getting a host name of my machine in Windows also. Means the hostname command is available in Linux. Hostname command is available in Windows as well. Yes or no? If we don't know, it will run in Windows. Means we have to understand the Windows also is required. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So it's, see, don't think that Linux is tough. Windows also have the same thing which we don't know. If we know Windows in a better way, we can understand Linux in a very simplest. Okay. So let me go to the second command. Hostname -i. What do you mean by hostname -i? If you don't know,
the IP address of the machine.
it will display the IP of the machine. I'm running the command HOSTNAME -i. I'm running it. I'm getting some IP 10.128.128.15.206. What is this IP? I don't know. We can go here and we can check it. Which IP is coming? 10.128, 10.128 means some internal IP it is showing here. If I will run the hostname -i command, internal IP will be visible to me. Correct?
To know external IP.
Can you repeat?
How to know external IP inside the machine?
External IP, there is a different command. If you will run the different command, you will get the external
config.
IP.
If config you can use, you can get all the details.
Correct. Okay, this command is available in Windows also. This command is available in Linux also. Okay, let me run. Let me run. IFCONFIG.
Okay.
Can I run this command?
Yes, sir.
Let's run. What is happening?
IP config.
Okay. In Windows or in Linux? Where I have to run?
IP config in Linux, if config in Windows.
Cool. Very good. Okay, I'm running the IF config. No, sorry. I have to run IP config in Windows. Okay. If I will run the IP config in Windows, I will get all the IP address information in Windows machine. That is IP config. Okay. And in Linux, the same command which is IF config. At this point, if I run this command, I face some problem. IF command is not found because this is some networking related. Extra component is required to run this command. He is telling you have to download this utility, then you can run the IF command. In Linux, if you don't know something, Linux will help you out directly that you have to run this utility. I'm downloading this utility. 80% is you download it, and as soon as I will run this IF command, I will get the IP address, all the IP address information of my Linux machine. Got it? Not got it?
Got it, sir.
Guys, so why I'm comparing it. If we don't know Windows, we will think that Linux is tough. If we know Windows properly, Linux is also very similar. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so what we have to do it, if we will learn at least 50 Linux command, I will teach you more than 80 or 90 commands. Okay, see, 10 commands, 10 to 15 commands are here. 10 commands are here. Okay, 10 commands related to system admin or some monitoring related thing. I will teach you 10 commands related to the user activity, 10 commands related to the networking. I will teach you how to create a public key, private key, because if you will join any of the company, the very first day your manager will tell, give me the public key so that I can provide you the access. And if you don't know how to create a public key, if you will ask with anyone in your team, he will understand you are not you don't have the knowledge, right? So as soon as you will join any of the company very first, they will ask you the public key because they have to provide you the server access, and there may be chances they may provide you the training or not. So we have to be aware about it. What is public key? What is private key? We will discuss in a very deep with the practicals. Okay. After joining, after getting the access, they will tell you to connect to the machine. If you don't know how to connect it, what are things we have to understand? Then again, you have to ask with your senior. If he help, well and good. If he will not help, he will get to know that you don't know anything, right? So there are some SSH commands we have to aware. We will discuss in our classroom to make you the cloud or DevOps engineer. Okay. After that, I will teach you the VI editors, VI related things, tips and tricks. Okay. how to connect, how to use, what are shortcuts, everything. We will discuss about the file permissions. We will discuss about what is apt, what is yum. We will discuss about the differentiation, what is the use, how to install any of the software, how to upgrade any of the software, how to remove any of the software, how to find all the packages. We have to discuss about the cron. We have to discuss about some Unix utilities. We have to discuss about the HTTP response code, Linux process. Can anyone tell me in very short, as soon as any of the machine will get start, how much processes will get executed? Any random number? Any random number, if any of the machine got started, how many processes will get executed? Random number I need. Can anyone tell me the number?
So I think it's unknown because of which distribution we are using or which packages we are using.
See, around 19,000 processes will get executed if any of the machine or server will come up. In our Windows also, if it's coming, more than 19,000 processes will get executed, then our operating system will be loaded. In Linux also, there is a command dmesg. In 0.00 second, what happened? In 0000.1 second, what happened? This all processes got executed. Okay, then only my Linux machine came up. This all information also on a fresher level, if you are aware about it, well and good. Okay, in 50 seconds, what all things happen? In 70 seconds, in 80 seconds, 90 seconds, 1 minute, how many things happen? Around 19,000 different processes got executed, and then only our machine will be come up. If we are aware about that part, that will be very, very good. I will teach you all these things, how the BIOS will get executed, how MBR, GRUB, kernel, init, run level things will come. Because sometimes interviewer may discuss this may things as well. If you are aware, well and good. Okay, we will discuss about the processes. We will discuss about some more shell scripting commands. We will discuss about hardware related things. I will give you some cheat books so that you will able to remember all the Linux commands as well. And then we will wind up the Linux, and then we will start the AWS part. Got it? If you know that much, then only you can call as a Linux administrator or at least Linux person. Then only you can add into your resume. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Guys, how was the today's session? You are able to understand?
Yeah, very clear.
Yes, yes, Vikas.
Yes.
Is my
Yes,
speed
very
was fast or is okay? Any feedback?
Yeah, it's okay. It's
It's
not
good.
too
It's
fast.
good. It's good.
Okay, I was not fast, right?
Yes.
A fresher can also able to understand, or experienced person also feel that I have to learn this thing. Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas. Yes.
yes.
Little bit.
Okay, cool, good. Now, guys, yeah, feel free to ask any of the question from the today's topic first. Then we will discuss into the another topic.
Yeah, because hello, I have doubt this side Parth here.
Yeah, Parth,
Can
go
I
ahead.
join tomorrow's session as I as you told that you are planning Docker and Kubernetes. I'm not
Sure.
aware of, but I have basic
See,
exposure of all
You
those
don't
things.
have to worry. You don't have to worry. It's a new module. I will teach you from the very basic. If you will join from tomorrow, well and good, you will able to understand. If you will directly come here after 3 days, it will be difficult. Okay.
No.
So
Yeah. Tomorrow
join
onwards.
from tomorrow. It's a new module. We will start with the virtual machine. I will teach you some theory, 30% theory, and then we will go into the practical. Tomorrow is a theory day. So well and good, join it. Okay. And the practical will come from the day after tomorrow.
But for us, no holidays.
What do you mean by no holidays means?
I mean, Monday is there.
Monday is there means? Yeah, definitely
I-
Monday is there. Yes.
So as you told that, holiday is there. So I told our company is no holidays for Monday.
No, there is no holiday. I haven't told that. You have to come from tomorrow. Simple.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Yep. What else?
Can we discuss about the
Yes,
project
Santosh, go ahead.
problem statement? Hello.
Yes, Santosh, go ahead.
Yes. Can we discuss the problem statement of the project? Any projects?
whenever we will develop the project or whenever we will work it, there are so many problems will come, right? You have to justify which problem you are
problem
getting.
statement.
See, Santosh, if you are not able to run, okay, let's open my WhatsApp. Okay, if you will see here, if you will see here, where is that? Where is 31? Okay, this student is unable to achieve this thing. This is a problem statement, right? Connection timeout. This is one of the problem statement. Agree? Yes or no?
Yeah, I agree.
So what is, let's discuss this problem only. Connection timeout from the error itself or warning itself, what you are able to understand?
It's an error.
Yeah, it's an error, correct. What is the solution for this?
To increase the time.
See, you are telling problem statement. Yes, this is a problem statement. This is a
No,
real-time issue.
It's a gateway issue.
It's a connectivity issue or gateway issue, correct?
Connectivity issue.
Something is trying to reach some other place, and in the desired duration, whatever the desired duration, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 2 minutes, it is unable to reach into that place. That's why it's giving the timeout error. Correct? Means something related to the port. Right? Yes or no? The port is able to that. Means he can ping from this machine to that machine. The ping is connectivity is working. If the ping itself is not working, means networking issue. First, we have to fix that ping is working or not. If ping works, then we have to check it with the another command, ns lookup, that what we can say, the port is open or not. If the port is also open, then he will not face this problem. Definitely unable to ping or unable to open the port. That's why this problem is happening. So you can say, Santosh, in your real time, when I was connecting master with the slave, the master was unable to connect to the slave and we are getting the connection timeout. Okay, then what you did, you run the ping command, you did networking troubleshooting, you run the ping command and you are able to see that yes, it is able to connect to this machine. When you run the ns lookup with the port number, you observe that this port was not open into that place and the ns lookup command is giving the error. So what you did, you have enabled the particular port and the issue has been resolved.
So we can show this as a project.
I will give you the project. I will every day I will give you all these things. If you will do the practical by own, you will not ask this type of question. If you are a real-time worker, definitely this all problem you will face when you will do the practical. Got my point, Santosh? Yes or no?
Okay, got it.
What is required? You have to do the practical. You have to fix the problem by own. Then you can make the answer that, yes, we face this problem and I solve it like this. Whatever you will learn with me, you have to say into the interview that you are doing in your right time, real time in your company. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cool. Any other person? Yes, whatever I'm trying to deliver, you are able to understand. Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas. Yes.
Cool. That's fine. What else, guys? Feel free to ask.
Tomorrow session, how much time, sir?
Tomorrow is a 8 a.m. session. Tomorrow is a 8 a.m. session. Okay. It's a regular batch, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. Okay. And whoever want to become a cloud or DevOps engineer, or in next 1 week want to become a Docker or Kubernetes engineer, you are most welcome to come to my live session at 8 a.m. IST. You just have to go into this place. Okay. Here all the links, syllabus, link, and some recorded videos are also available. Whoever is not yet seen any of my day 1, day 2 video, go into this. I'm giving you this link. Okay. Go to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you will see the videos from day 1, day 2, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Just see all these videos. You will be very confident. Today, just spend some half an hour, some 1 hour. It's a 2 hour video. At least watch this 1 or 2 videos and come from tomorrow's sessions. Is that fine?
Fine, Vikas.
Yep. So I'm giving you this link, okay, so that you will get all that information. And guys, whoever has any question, anything, feel free to
Tomorrow's
message
session
me.
is from day 13. Right?
Can you repeat?
Tomorrow's session is from day 13, right? Not from day 1.
From day 30. Yes, it's the middle of the session. Yes. But it's a new module you will able to understand. If you will not able to understand, you can revise everything one more time. We are feel free. You are already my student. You don't have to worry for that part, right? Yes or no? Correct, Santosh?
Fair enough. Yes.
Miss, any other question? Any other person? Anyone has any other question? If nothing, can we wind up the today's session?
Yes, Vikas, we can wind up.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Vikas.
My number is already available on the website. This is my number. This is Shikha number. If you have any question, feel free to talk with us.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And recording, we will provide it to you. Okay. Whoever
Okay.
has missed it, yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.